adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
And the price you paid on that day, come on, I count it all my joy. Jesus, your love did blow my mind. Everybody say, when I survey the wondrous cross, and the price you paid on that day, the price you paid on that day, I count it all my joy. I count it all my joy. Jesus, your love. Jesus, your love came from from heaven, Lord. You came down to save the wretch like me. Changed and restored my life. Now I can't watch you. Self-sacrifice today. Jesus, I will love you always. 1, 2, 3, let's go. That's right, say it. Yes, that's right. Nobody can do me like the way you do. All my life, Lord, I'll go there for you. You changed my life, you turned my life around. Give me a new song to sing. Give me a new song to sing. You changed my life, you turned my life around.
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Again.
You gave your life for me on the cross, everybody say
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Nobody has here.
Ghana Adisiye, Omoba Opore Amanko Emapati, Ediba. Through engineering, we have the corruption and good pharmaceutical.
Listen, when I survey the wondrous cross and the price you paid on that day, come on, I count it all my joy. Jesus, your love did blow my mind. Everybody say, when I survey the wondrous cross and the price you paid on that day, I count it all my joy. Jesus, your love, Jesus, your love, oh, from heaven, Lord. That's right. Changed and restored my life. Oh, nobody can wash me. Sacrifice today. Jesus, I will love you always. 1, 2, 3, let's go. That's right, say it.
Mala, Maju,
Yes, sir. That's right.
Maju, For God and country back on your radio. Yes, I'm better to some Cassian so sharing some Martin and an Ibrasian Yatanasi free sabri copim sano pa non do ever ball and yes, stress any entana.
You turn my life around.
I don't pay so. We yanko for the Adama Badum so touch the Madabo Dream J.D. More Fusani. I dum Arakwa. I don't tease what's a min can. I am Sancha near Radi. I'm gonna see our bra boomino. And on a year can once some. Yakoda say for then it does so near mu. Oh, Bow Uncle for them now has said the Uncle for that. Then you begin to appreciate why I keep telling you, say, so Kodana, dear Chingwa. I was so dear Sadame with that. In Kunyan Crofu, you know, one more demon and one more person. And Yansen get one. But Obambo for Yesu Christo. Not dum adoso. Or the Aduma Badum so. Send your TBI.
You gave your life for me.
Why her woe any meme so? I'm an pay. Yeah, that's what in Quem. I said, then you know, you're ready, dear. Yeah, near Bushia something. Yes, here, the young coupon, I say. Bringing the time check, some 43 minutes. You can't hear every coffee. So, some 44 minutes after 6 a.m. is, of course, another beautiful, brand new Wednesday morning. Live on your family favorite radio station, Ahenkan 93.3, and of course coming to you live from our national studios here at Piafra Komobat and Papa at Chimabuabo precisely, and today happens to be the 9th day of October 2024. And I'll pay the radio say antikemu.com, jumemuhonomo.com, efieho.com, baby our mama kwan amame wura na no paybia.com. Yeah, that's Sibibre. Onyankopon tinani mu ncho no nka wo ho ade nsa no onwunu ndwo no Erade nhyɛ yɛn nyonyam. Ɛwɔ ne din mu. Amen. So quick one, mami nko na menko fe wi mbɔ brensem se de besia kɔ ne demu no. Fitia no pa ikosi anwumre. Mami mfa ho asɛm mfa ma. Na fe yemra Onyankopɔn asɛm ne so. Yemra medi mu nkomo. And we have to spend some time on the message so that we can delve deeper and talk more.
That's right.
It means Sabrina, we mbɔ brensem se de besia kɔ ne demu. Fitia na pa yi ekusi enwumre ho amane bo enie oseme nka nkyerɛ sa no pay no enam sɛ ensuo no ɛtɔ enra anadwo ne nti ɛbɛma no pay ewiem bɛyɛ nwunu kakra ewiem nso bɛbae ama awia no ɛbɛyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ dede bi pie no ha ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ saa de akwakwa akusi nondu ebrem ewiem bɛte ewom sɛ ewiem enti ye ne nyina akyi no awon kakran kakra bi be nante mu de awo coldness bi be ne nanemu saa so na eno no o kire se etuo betwa efiri nondu brem ho no mo ekra no pay no etuo betwa ma awia ne be ni ti kakra na awia no so abenante mu kakra light one bi na fe nsuo no san ebunkam afaso a ebe munamuna nsuo ne be munamuna nti free prem tobre donko no mienu ho kono o kire se nsuo no be san sisi ntira se kakra afei efree anwumre nonum nonsia eho ekono ebe se de petepete wo mia ya ahoduo bie die omonsa nka nsuo ewiem bete e de ama wo mo enam se de nra ewiem bobre ne si ekoye enti abusua me san esi so biem e de ama wo a anopai efree sabre yakopim nondu no oseme nka nkyerɛ sɛ ewiem bɛte na emom free sabre yakɔde de ewiem enwunu kakra ewiem enwunu enam nsuo no ɛtɔ enra ne nti ɛde mframa nketenkete ne awo nketenkete bi ɛnenam mu na nso so ɛto obetwa free no ndubira hɔ ɛkɔ no ɔkyɛ sɛ wiade bɛ ni tinti free donk ɔyɛ 11 dubaako 12 hɔ de korɔ no akosi no mienu no ɔkyɛ sɛ awiade bɛ gyinagyina mu akakra na nso so free sabre no korɔ no ade a nsuo no bɛsan asini tira se kakra ewiem bɔbrɛ nsɛm sɛ ne bisi akɔ ene damu no ɛna abusua me de ho amane bɔ ɛde ama wo station din dia henkan 93.3 FM ɛno ne yɛ frequency modulation dwumadi ne din de Maakye ɛna me ɔfrɛ me ɔbo ba ofori amanfo mame mo akye na me mo akɔ aba ɛfamra show ni so
Ghana adisie oboba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. I love you. Everybody say
Intibidafo mami sign mo akwaba na fe yanko Onyankopɔn asɛm no so fa o pen ene o book anase o paper no na fe yanko so sa wo kai asɛm no a yegusu a ye di ho nkomo no o kai atifi asɛm no yɛse dan Onyankopɔn ɔbɔ na sɛm ɛho ban Onyankopɔn ɔbɔ na sɛm ɛho ban. The Lord or God protects his word. God protects his word. Onyankopɔn ɛbɔ n'asɛm ɛho ban. Onyankopɔn yɛ deɛ ba deɛ ɔbɔ n'asɛm ɛho ban. Eti yɛde wa nante mu a fiti dwoda no aba bɛpem ɛnɛ. Ɛdɛn nso so Onyankopɔn de yɛn kwa kyɛn sɛdeɛ yɛkɔ nnra yɛsrɛ no. Sɛsɛ wɔde yɛn kwa kyɛn ayɛba yɛbɛsan ba bɛtoa so ɛde ama wɔ no. Anope wɔde yɛn kwa kyɛn deɛ a yɛnsɛ brɛ yɛkɔ so straight. na ya hyase edimu enkomo enti mo enani de di kan a ebia mo join ni enti message yi aye bibi foforo de ama mo no ye besa akwa yachi kakra na afi atwetwe aba animu na ye de bi de atoa so e de ama wo na watwi ne yesua ne se onyankopon ma ya tiase se nasem obonasem ho ban enu nti se nasem efiri eto obi abra bomu a onyankopon bo ho ban kopem bra ebeda adi aye adwuma ama botaye nti a osoma asem no atumi asi ewo nipa bi abra bom ansa na asem no bekwa awurade nchen biemu a akone nchen enu nti na watwe yesua se asem bi efiri nyankopon enchen asem bi efiri nyankopon emma enum se ye odifuo bi ne se nkom to wabrabo so se ye wankasa na wo se nkom to wabrabo so se ye wo maame o papa ana wo nua bi wadamfo bi obi ene wo ka bi papa bi eto wabrabo so a ebebem ebetimi a chede cha chene nkere se enuane ebebem. It's just a matter of time. When the time is right and when the time is due, it will definitely come to fulfillment. Ebebem ama wankasa wodi wani ehunu nia onyame aka. Enuti na watwi ye kenkan the book of Isaiah 55 verse 11. Awurade asem me yeti ase say, so is my word that goes out from my mouth. Sana etese mensem a epie firi manum ekwa abonten. It will not return to me empty. Ensign emma me nchen wabra de me share se enkonkoye no enkoye. Ensign ma me nchen wabra enipa nya asomfa so, but will accomplish what I desire and achieve the purpose for which I sent it. Enti assembly epia firi manum sade na na onyankopon ka kire Jeremiah se Jeremiah wabra wo ye mojato da na ye mo no sa bre no na masem ba wabra bomu a me awurade hye me ho ebo kan me ho ntam se mekora masem no amanatumi apie emu ewo enipa ni so na enipa hunu se ampa me wo ye mojato da na ye mo no ena me hye ase se me hunu wo na me yi wo boldin ede wo ye wodifuo di si amanaman eso na Bible me yeti ase se said onyankopon kan no no sa pepepe ne ba mu ede ma Jeremiah eno nkwam epe eme ehunu se eye no kware eye no kwasem se onyankopon ka se okora na sem a achinigye eni ho yesamba be hun se osese de osoro ene asase ebetwamu akono na sem de etim hoda osoro ni asase etimi twam ko onyankopon asem de etim hoda ene nti wo mo a ehye ewiase yase bebo obra nyina omo atwam ko awurade asem de etim hoda ene nti se wu esua bibi ti se psychology se wu sua psychology a ye wo enkrofo bibiri omba be ye psychology no ye wo pillars ya omo na yetumi ka se omo ne the masters and I said the pioneers of psychology. You can mention their names. Na okokohwe bra ye wo wom ne bra omu wu ye, you could see say ebinom ye 1760 this ebimu de ye 18 blah 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 we nu nyina de dia kire se ampa sankrofu ya ye ka omasem se omo ye pioneers of psychology a ye ka ho asem no omo ba asase so betena ase said ye minum yenu yenso so aduru yenso 2000 si a ye ti ase no by 30 years to come enipa bebre enti ase biem nti na no na ye bu nkunta bi se ye wo 2024 3034 and I said 3024 to come na nipa wo wiase nyina dodo no ante na me dodo na say ni nyina kra ante ase because say almost 1000 something years added to unfia ekura osisi a enti 3024 na tifri unfia ekura osisi a mu so yenya ye wa asase su nyina ye bewu akọ enu nti onyankopon say osoro ne asase ebetwam nanso me awurade masɛm de erintwam de biara da eni nti onyankopɔn asɛm bi aba wo abrabɔ mu sɛ o ba be ya obrempɔn a medɔfo entwam o ebebem awurade okora nasɛm me ba to yenka bie awurade wo ye de ba de okora nasɛm eni nti di nkomo keka nsɛm gu abrabɔ so ka sɛ enam sɛ awurade kora nasɛm nti ade bia eye nsɛm a efiri wonu nyankopɔn ne nkyɛn na ode kan ma de bɔ ho eba asase so no awurade bɛkora na eche sɛ denyara ebebem. Heaven and earth will pass away, but my words will never pass away. Osoro ni asase de ebetwam. Nanso me awurade masɛm de erintwam da. Enanu ye amampani akufu ado baaye. Yesu obedi say yes 4 years yate. Ene ye nyina kokoto aba 2016. Ye yanko twobo ye ani baaye ho so na wadi first time na wie ene san koto aba 2020. Asagro me no kase yakabosum mienu komiensa. Na amampani akufu ado mfie nwotwe na twam. Ene nti ewiase onyame asɛm a wokan ye nokore sɛ osoro ni asase ebetwam emu niema nyina betwam nanso me awurade masɛm de erintwam de biara da asɛm bɛ no onyankopɔn aka de ato abrabom medɔfo ye wadwene sɛ ebetwam ɛdeɛ bɛnkom hyɛ na awurade ahyɛ ato abrabɔ so ye wadwene sɛ ebetwam ɛmma mu nti ye wadwene sɛ ebetwam yi entwam o na sɛdeɛ osoro ni asase etwam na emu niema nyina etwam emu nipa twam emu na tie odi asa wo sɛ meboa osoro ni asase ntwam a wo nana odi yɛmfa ne sɛ bi a o maame te ase utiri nkwa yɛmfa ne sɛ bi a o maame nso te ase utiri nkwa bisa wo ho sɛ o maame no a wo aba beto wo mo no nea owo wo mo no nso wo he watwam nea owo maame no wo he wawukɔ nea owo maame baako no ɔno nso wo he ɔno nso atwam na nea owo maame no nso ɔno nso wo he watwam eni nti saa na maame betwam ama wo ankasa nso watwam ama wo man nso abetwam akɔ nanso onyankopɔn asɛm de awurade aka entwam arapa ya awurade sɛ menka nkyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ wiye o jesu amen na bɛbɛm entwam arapa ya awurade sɛ menka nkyerɛ sɛ ɔde sere yɛbɛhyɛ wafunu mu ate arapa ya awurade sɛ menka nkyerɛ sɛ wo a wadi da so asa ono ni wani da so wate na wabra enipa nyina yi uto kyene wabra wankasa wo tenka wo mu sɛ masase a mete so edie aya asase prada aya asase abo ne abosia e na ahye so ma eno no when you get to a point like that in life we call it a land of Lodibel. I've explained this to you before maka wasem de a kyerɛ oda say your land of Lodibel, and I say your situation we call it a Lodibel. Yebeka ho asem Lodiba. Yebeka ho asem. Yebeka Lodiba ho asem, but not today. Ebetwa mu. Anopa yi, awurade se okora na asem. Me se de awurade se wo de ba de okora na asem. God guards his word against corruption. So when we talk about corruption, we know politicians. So corruption more or less is becoming a synonymous to our friend is saying politicians. It's your kind of corruption. Now the next thing that will come in your mind, politicians. But we are not talking about that one. We are talking about corruption in the sense that you can be corrupted. Ubeye boni. You have been corrupted. Obu onuma odi boni a unsuro. Honhum bia nkasa nkyere ne se asuo obra wo boyi e de wo bekwa amanem. Obu a odi boni no with the full chest out. Wo be ma. Otimi di boni ma boni no ewere ho. Boni ni tumi ka se me dofo. O tete me. But se onyankopon asem wo wabra bomu a asem ne baba be ye nkyene na ba be show na moa ye de asɛm ne ba be ye kanea na moa nante ewo Onyankopɔn ne kwantene ne so na de wakɔ nkonimdiem de wakɔ anyonyam mu de wakɔ wieye papam de wakɔ abrabo papam de wakɔ tenene anamon so na awurade asɛm a wɔkan na timi aba mu a abrabo mu sɛ enhyira ne wɔn a wɔntena afɛwdifoɔ tena bia enti wɔkeka ne nyinaa wie a wasan twɛn de waba the book of Psalms 23 hɔ no ɔse awurade ne mehwɛfo hwiri nhia me awurade asɛm awurade asɛm tumi wom awurade bɛhwɛ yɛn so in the book of Psalm chapter 12 verse 6 to 7 the Bible says the words of the Lord are pure like silver and refined in a furnace. You, O Lord, will keep them. You will preserve them from this generation forever. Onyame asem. Ene eka no. The words of the Lord are pure words, like silver refined in a furnace. You, O Lord, will keep them. You will preserve them from this generation forever. God ensures that his word is not tainted by human manipulation. The words of God are pure like silver refined in a furnace. Onyankopɔn asɛm ɛyɛ korogyen ɛte sɛ sika akɔ a yɛde afa gyam ayɛ ho adwuma sɛdeɛ yɛ a na ɛhyerɛn no saa ne Onyankopɔn asɛm teɛ na awurade ɔbɛkora n'asɛm sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ a ɛbɛtena hɔ no mo daadaa na onipa su ɛne ne ban ankɔ tete no. So the Lord or God, when we talk about he guards his word against corruption, this is what we meant. The words of the Lord are pure. Onyame asɛm obien won mo betimi asesa no. That is why when we see people making mockery of the words of God, some of us, we become so furious to the extent that you be saying, do they know the gravity of the words of God? Said you Nyankopon asɛm no emu duro esifa. Eni ya na ebinim di agro saa no. Eni ya na ebinim said aba eni onyame abie so akyerɛ me onyame say, "Hey, boyfriend, osofo, mo ahwe ye onyame abufuhye obeba mo so." Bible said the Lord keeps his word from this generation and forever. Why? He keeps his words from us so that humans' manipulation cannot taint it. God ensures that his words are not tainted. Onyame nasem eye pure. Inti asem bia efira to wa brabom ebebem medofo. Asem bia ebebem. Aha na emede no. Osido men may try to distort it. Enipa bi be hyeda pa. Said you onyame akanfa wo ho no. Wo beba no be kan se ne na no mo ka kire Yesu Kristo. Se obi bi papa bi tie we dey tie. Sometimes enipa bi wa men they deliberately try to distort the words of God in your life. It is sometimes when they do that, the rationale behind all that manipulations, and they say they want you to deny your God and begin to swim in something that will bring curses upon your life. But listen to me, boyfriend. Listen to me, girlfriend. And I have come to tell you, men may try to distort the words of God concerning your life. You have been born great. But but the same person will come with a distorted, a palpable words, just to come to discourage you. Say, "Do you nyamia kanem?" And into everyone, hey, and I take a course one and a pa, and I watch the was ano. Hey, and now Osikani Bapa na Obrezano. And I said, I'm Mabusium Sikawami, and I will bring. Listen. He or she is trying to distort the words of God concerning your life. But one thing that we can be rest assured is that God keep his words. So he will keep his word in your life. He keeps it away from this generation forever, so that humans' manipulation cannot taint it or corrupt it. Now you say Yesu Christo hun come tio. You say Yesu Christo hun come. A deep form penimfu a di kan ba ye. Isaiah no beche say no hun come. Obediah mo beche say no hun come. Ha mo be kan ne ho asem. A deep for akese ne be kan Yesu Christo ho asem. Na yenya kra ngo no. Enti what they heard all those news, and someone mo kafa Yesu hu nyina omo te ye. Omo nim say Yesu no aye kan ho asem so oba tasi so a oba be ye great. John the Baptist and kasa so kan ho asem, but listen, sometimes men may try to distort the words of God in our lives. Afa ya wo Yesu Kristo no a tie nsem ankrofo ka obi baba be kan so ya wo oba bani bi wono na eba be ye wiase nyina age nkwa ofiri fa yeso ofiri muramura ofiri fa yeso ofiri yakuru ofiri fa yeso ofiri kwawu apradan ofiri fa yeso ofiri kwawu nade so ofiri fa yeso ofiri kwawu fodoa ofiri yeso ofiri kwawu afram plains ofiri fa yeso ofiri forifori hwehwe ofiri hefa yeso ofiri maame krobo ofiri hefa yesi ofiri bukuruwa hey ewiase age nkwa ni firi bukuruwa edi enim senko obepie free Slegon yedi enim senko obepie free Cantonment yedi enim senko obepie die free Trasaco yedi enim senko obepie die free Spentes baby esikafo ne tie no yedi enim senko obepie die free esikafo no emu na ewiase age nkwa timi kopie free bukuruwa muromura apradan fodoa jamase pra river kwawudan amwana praso kote ya aboa hwaye mobo wiase age nkwa edi ti asem anam kan say so biribi papa bi betimi apia free Nazareth ya ba na wo mu nim said you onyame aka no eya awontie de nipa eka. It is sometimes men may try to distort the words of God, but the good news is that he keeps his word from this tainted generation so that we will not corrupt his words. His words are pure like silver that has gone through the furnace. The Lord protects, the Lord preserves, the Lord keeps his words, and no man born of a woman can distort it. Jonyamiaka ebebem omanyi ni awurade akanfo ya ho ebebem o amanyofo yi entumi exchange di onyame akanfa Ghana ho di onyame akanfo o my Ghana ho bi ebebem. It is a politician. Now you have your ill motive and ill intentions. Say you are coming to destroy this land. God will kill you. Onyankopon bekun. Because onyankopon no man you apam, onyankopon sem e4 man you hono, send ye tie bia bebem. It is a way politician. Now you are said you nyamiaka, you will manipulate it, you will distort it, you will taint it. God will kill you. Ewurade bekum or the nyare burning and what the so. Sans a person in the DSC. The Lord keeps his words. The Lord preserves his words. The Lord protects his words. And whatever word that has gone out from the mouth of God to you, it will surely come to pass. God will protect you. Whatever spoken words concerning Ghana, and we know the plans of God for Ghana is not to hand us over to the hands of vampires, wicked politicians. The plans and the purpose, the desires of God concerning Ghana is so great. Is that will prosper you. The onyamiaka. I don't know. The onyamia drain the afa Ghana ho. And you being in Crofwe de you. God, I'm saying for God will kill them all. I'm telling you. Omo e di tumi asho mo nsa di onyame aka mo pese bebem no mama Ghana fo me bre ene ya nwanto sika abusua mu a wan hwe ya od na gya sa na ade akonsamado. But that is not the plans. Nyankopon wode ma yen se ma bo nipa de aba asase so omo nkonko bre. That is not the plan. That is not the purpose. That is not what God desires for man. So whoever that is trying to distort, whoever that is trying to exchange or shortchange what the Lord has purpose for man, God will clear you off the road. Na kwemu adaho. Me say, o mai di onyame aka fa Ghana ho ebebem. Di onyame aka fa Ghana ho. NDC ntimi mane ma fom, MPP ntimi mfa ma fom. No individual can bring it down. No individual can bring Ghana down. Adebio Nyankopon kan fa Ghana ho ebebem. Because he keeps, he preserves, he protects his word from humans' manipulations. Ofremi obowoba ofori amanfo. Yade na de ni DC anomo. Onyame ntire ni munchire ni wonkan hono no mo ayen. Ni awurade aka wo abra bomu bia medofo. Emmemu ane no nkyere se free hoko, mfiri ho nkoi. Enti ya hyenkom de ato ba no so se obeye osofu pani, obeye great man of God. Listen. Emfa woni abofra ne tibia wo mu sisi ya. Twen enya nya wo twen honhom. Ebere ne so a abofra no ayese oye odifo kese ne bebem. Ababa wa na ayese oye onyame somfo kese no ebebem. Ewurade wo kora na nsem e de ma ne bere. Ebere ne nso ya wa hwi ya waba mu bebu. Ghana Nyankopon tire ne mu nkyere yen. Na ono mo aye man na se mu ntiase. Na ye ntiase se oye je Nyankopon obe Nyankopon no nkronkron Nyankopon. Oye adumura obehwe wo so na eyire so sire so seden onyame a okora na nsem no obekora na nsem wo abrabom na bam na aniwa nyina edi wo ani ehu ama anu nyina edi ho adanse. Awurade ntire ne mu nkyere yen ewo ne din mu. Amen. Ye response to aso mu wie besan ba na afi ye de aka nyina edi aba beto ato aso kama edi ama o Becky Forsen anopai mema wachi o Becky we too much. Ahenkan yes one ye in charge of health. Oyade pa Ahenkan minister in charge of health. Oyade. Joshua Kwabena ejenim.
Oboba ofori amanfo.
Joshua Kwabena ejenim.
Oboba ofori amanfo.
I proud of this year matching.
Me also.
You say when I hear rap one.
Aye.
Oh,
na me kasamafo e de ma
enti as some gift products. As some gift products. I say as some gifty. And on my kaboom. And yenya as some gift products. Now we need a handmade roasted corn and groundnut no ma James and groundnut mix. Can you imagine? In the brewing cat here brofo kakaka no. Roasted corn and groundnut mix. Yo yate. In the busiafo ni ekura me nsam sisi yi. Mo amwo media no so no. Apani fail to media no so. Mo amwo media no so no ni ekura me yesi e friend brewing cat here. Yeah. Correct. A brewing cat here we no. Unya bi won ento ba bia Ghana ha ba bia unya bi nto.
Obi edi ho adansi o.
Age say achim odan aboabo. Uduru achim dan kora nya bi nto, je say aboabo. Enti aboabo ye wa zoye. Eburo we ontumi nwe baako. Enka say obi se bia gya ho na makọ oboa. We mi bie so ebesan sisi ya.
Trap.
As some gifts. Oh, I'm too much.
Trap.
Say too much.
Madam Bekin so di ho adansi.
Onu so di ho adansi. Mama ni bi won.
Ama nurse ni ba ko bi so assume the din.
Enti na Regina, Ernestina.
Asuma de aba.
Odi aba.
Say,
Yami shira no.
Ni yire ese on fam bambeja o. Na bibia nso nkoyi.
Yami shira no.
Fam ntano peya.
Ano peya no odi aba.
Ababeja nteme mbo na yire nso aba so.
Aya de.
Em say dwuma no we hu
Sister
ye
Gifty. Sister Gifty ade na mama mfa ni agro. E wo sem ye na ni bre so. Na ye hye ase de ko supply. So no bia we was a store bia nya bi.
Me say store bia nya bi.
Store say ifie bia.
Stores no class strategy.
Stores na hye ase.
O hye ase kra.
So ati ase.
Say ade na nso to.
Si ba haya na me bo ho mpa yi wa na wura fi.
Me kai mpa. Me kai.
Haya na me bo so mpa yi.
Me kai. Ade na nso to nti em say dan so that time so call bia ni die mu no.
So ala pa. Mu de duru soro ho. Ani aye kese.
Nti em say ono so no. Asama mu nye ready.
Duru soro de de say ade na.
Anytime you obesi form bia no. E so petintin ni bi.
Mo petintin no. Nia ori e beche na wakai. So
Olunka wako.
Ono so ye ready opepa.
Olunka wako.
Enti mo ma no ayi no sana. Ori na nsa da obekai ba bi efiri.
Me kan o baby o de she.
What I said.
O de she one.
No too much.
Road grass na konsoro.
Enti I was here koku suya said omo ye no. Ana.
Nti em say Madam Gifty untimi nche ho no ma na e fa ni say
onye mfa masa keke.
Na onye na
mfa state no oye no ohu.
E say koku suya ye ni.
Enti mo awuni adwuma ye no ohu. Obetimi akọ hwehwe na chi kwan. No akọ gibi akoton.
Ode gibi si wanim ho no ode say wo fere kra so
obetia. Ana fa si wo store ho. Ode fa nkọ achi. Na ode obi ba sheda dede no because obu a onya ndi bia. O kan on te ho ase. Enti wo dede no aso de ode traba ko hwe. Afi onya traba ko hwe wi ode ja no. Ode
sheda yibo ako ne maje chine sheda yibo ako.
Na wo an kasa kasa. Sabima no.
Wi wa cheche na de atum so ode test hwe.
Ode test hwe ode me ma wa test ya hwe. That's what we na we Anthony Botomu a.
Ndran koton a. O wie na se ndran koton a.
O wie no ndran koton a. Na je se ni edi na chi no. Ohia adwon ho. Ono de ohia nwosra wo be hia adwon ho. Na ye de ya pem no.
Bipa ne ntide. Bipa ne MCC aka GM de ana.
Aka GM. Da bi GM wa try back ko.
GM wa try back ko. General wa try back ko.
Wa try.
General.
And now no ne de be di me nsam.
Okay. Okay.
And am de command no. One ne yire e kokko try ye. O hwa utie nkomo ne se ne wo di no no a. Asa ade ne kodi ne yire ho.
And the GM ahra de.
Asa kodi ne yire ho. Se ne wo di ne nkomo na nyame de. Asa kodi ne yire ho. And na yire ne si ne hwihwi bi man wo se din I don't know.
Okay. GM de unjimi ko hobi bre. Hobi bu dia.
Because said you did in common.
Baba, when say o ti won me production kwabna bra.
Say you did in common na anya me de. Asa no oba ni mu di ho adanse mo. I me say eduro ni say de tie no.
And am say wa ma no.
And me ken say de common. Wa ma no di common say ni odi na anya me de.
Wa ma no.
Say na madam ni mu na. Edi ho adanse mo.
Je mo ahra ade. Je mo ahra ade.
E wo so ye mane san try.
Se mane se. We dey mane mfa nkofi.
Da bi we dey e be mane dia hye adwuma mu ha. Enti wo ye adwuma kakra. oye juma kakra bia na je wase bia bia but o me too much o me too much ni omo ye no e ya de papa enwo so omo de hye sum se anamuntu no ma hye ase etu na ye umie sum obi a nhunu yesi en so kane amfa nhye mpadua e de si kane adua so ade papa de wo ya na abo ho dawuro enkrofo ye bi nya papa Very na bone anwea ne uhunu say de omo ye no but we were hunu say e nipa na ekore nti no oye no neat
we open the konkumo de bebro big one or the bebro
big one say no one wa hoden no one wa hoden
uba han na obi abekiro asem na wakona
as some gift omo you too much
you say ebi wa ha ya
drugstore hono I'm friend example Mr. Bedi deals a baby visa I'm saying
Mr.
Bedi okay nti omo so ko Bedi ho a ubenya bia akore wo ho kama pa
bra Bedi ho na beje buru aede
buru ede buru din kate papa bi
na bibia nso
so and now me kan say me ba be ka ho health we no benefit no mfaso e wo so no wasan de abai nso ma farmers ni refi to wasan de abai makai no kwa kofa de aba
okay
mfaso e wo so se o ma wonsa e ka bi hwan na so wo twen ne de yi Becky Forcing so wo twen ne de me pa cho omo anamusi ni ye Joshua Joshua na ye omo anamusi ni nti this is Joshua na betimi a share obo Becky tie wo
acho ka chenze mane mama message
anani aka ne ye ton ajen se de aka ne ye ton
ono nso se abato
nti ye nso ye penisa ye pe omo mukura kokuduro saa no so hu mmeto lu nkamu de no ye ton
ono so obi ha na dwen saa
obi ha na dwen
ye ma no wan fan hye no
enti won fa oda ne mrai
ono so tire mu no ono so ko mo obi na nipa no so bo ne pressure
yes bom no obi ante on sa kan bom no obi ante and I know say newsroom for insa can be and we say oh hey so on na ma see o mo friend mra enkofo eje bobbo mo bo said ye o ma ko tu force no
obi
now
achna odo o flag be frame me kakra
aye de
such na black stars bo game ti e konkra
enti mo so ma mu ye on
o da bi e mu da
sa
mo de no
ma ba mu
ya bai
I just on my jet to betimi abo wa ha nti mo be bo he fa ohini jan
o ko ohini jan na ma so da zoo
I say nyo ohini jan
bi o fe o de fe na
Accra Sports Stadium okay nti ho na mo bo no mo ne he fo
in Sudan
nti ni tina makwesi APSC form no oh okay na kan kan enkrofo say obisi form as head coach ni mom
oh da head coach ndo ntimi si for we can step down
for a temporary we be
qualifiers ni obesan so abetiki na because you omode ye no you don't understand ewo ye bo no mu because say we say we CAF president na wo club or no so see account with Champions League mu no be a school member of Ghana no so coach a friend say national team fufura difference near dey
and if I say o de ono no mani sa no nti de ompeso wo ye no onye wa step it down temporarily obesan ababiem no ba beto na adwuma so
I'm sure the ball qualifies
but mo jide say mo betimi a Sudan for
o da be say ball na kwakobo nti ball
but you say a big challenge e de makwesi apia
edemo no mum
yes
say
when timi anhye mo a omo beka so wa hyeda etimene no kra na nka me ma bench
oh that means you can say on bench
so betimi yi ahye assistant na mo nyane sa
say bibia onto there you have to represent say
ba unse hwew to say ukọ court a o ye judge na o di case bi na case no ye implicate ye ka say ye implicate as ye twem wuram say judge we kura no enam say asem na o di no onimbra na me ne nya case no say obi nya bodi na o adduce evidence a eye concrete lawyer for no bro for say eye locus as nsuo gina mu a omo obrofu kasa bi e wo say wo recuse wo ho o judge no o twen ho free asendie ne ho na ka tell say because of say oni minti e bia na matemmuo no akwa eye no kura wu obetimi ama fair judgment but because of say abrante na boni din say onipa na on na nya issue no we ni nim ni nti no or the fair judgment background no still echinije kakra be ba ho nti sa na te dia ma recuse me ho me twe me ho e de afiri asɛnnie no ho enti ka mene no a nka mema watwe ne ho afiri ɔkyena game ni mu mema ɔma park ne so kra
sometimes say udu point bi nso a you have to show obi say adwuma no nim ye
ta ha no nso be kyerɛ ne catch powers
yes you have to show say obetimi aye no ye Ghana head coach yes say ni mbɔ nso ye ni Jan Maneko and Sudan for no enim sa no ma we na that is why omo appointed no as head coach and even omo appointing as head coach no e bisa no na ye nim say draw way ba so krampo na Ghana ni Sudan na babbo say sa no ma we happen no football mo anytime player bi one ma club we ni na ndi ni ye no move akwa other club the next fixture na omo so you have to so down bibia di HSA yes indeed e bia mo ha no say na edwuma metimi aye
but mama me kwan
yes me
na one or two be see me kwan
amfanye intimasia mu ide e say me hwe na mu ye edwuma no ye and oye Ghana ni edwuma no obi na ebe ye no ba ye penfo ka say bi say senya na ntwepo du anka no to no san so na enka konfo nso nsem so ati ase enu nti no oye edwuma dem Sudan no obi na ebe ye no obeto aso yentim ka say obaye edwuma no Sudan no ko time on obewu efi wiase e dey kwa time be so obefiri ono and ufiri ono ma even na wo we Ghana ni
nti dey on Ghana
obesan so back and ana ne family ana ni bibia nso e dey ewo so me no why nya adwon ono say on step down say on step down
also prove to Ghana for
yes so
man obetumi aye
another point is say so step down the assistant coach no be take one say Ghana ni
hwan
on fani say Ignatius
ono say Ghana ni is a Ghana for na akwaji Sudan
ne ono so efiri ono ma nyo oba a oye goalkeeper student no say Ghana ni
ebusia nyame ya domo a ochina game no kwasi apianti me Sudan ni ochina
okay
me moja de Ghana ni but kwasi apianti solidarity no an eguso aye show no
omonya incredible results since akwesi apa bia
call ho no
games o mabo no
results
omenya ene wo hwe even World Cup table bi omoda wo offense table no so a with Senegal mu na wo mu ultimate top table no de omonya incredible results but even Sudan for no krampo no
enti o kire Nyankopon ya adom akwesi apianti me Sudan ni ya betwe Ghana fo pie to afanwea mu ama mani abre papa
ese no mo
wo be no hemfo
be dwa Sudan fo
Kumasi Stadium cry ho ball ma mo ball 1-1 o say ye share mu na enkran a enko ho ye busy place and crofo nche da ma
enko beba
I'm not saying crofo ma but who to be fan to Kumasi ho
no dey fat
yes ho mu na mo be bibi
ye betimi anom
mo be share kwasi apia
adai
na kwasi apia Nyankopon odi na tikura amma kwan ma mo nhye no
na kwasi apia Nyankopon na je otu adon so Nyankopon
bepem sa abre mo de ne ka mo ntua yempo
sa
o se sa ayi muntu aso
rano pay adeshimai ba Ghana mamba ila gudie mu nsem enso eso dwumadi ne so ama medin Yoshua Kwabena Jenim Yosef Ajiri obwa Benito Mauli eta machine chepe pian voice ahudu nyina edi ejan sanso na eye rumona cheteurat enso ebwa na fe di munkomo nyina aba abijao ewo eye agudie mu yemfa seda Emma Afrakuma Community Hospital omaso na sema da agudie mu nsem no enso bro na uhwe achi akwan yo Amasaman Stadium Road honom na bohu ya Gan West municipality ni mu honom ene yewo yaro bia 82 bia na se bre na fe yenhwe na yentu ase ntempa so emfa mabwe piem oya kache a yo doctors and nurse for na fe midwives atituom ye adwuma no omunim ya ombehwe ya adwuma no ntempa so ede amawa oha bia mba chire biu enuntin se oyare nko ade abre na fe yenhwe ensa on yaro nyina enso fama African Community Hospital ubepiem ya OPD ya lab theater labor ward ni children's ward nyina no ebi ewo African Community Hospital nti ya yare dia ma African Community Hospital enyo first choice bepiem na fe yenhwe ensa on yaro nyina enfama ye 24/7 ye mpon etwon na etetiwa ede esebra ye behwe ayi otwon ede amawa unsure hobia biu 059 759 63 na one Afrakuma Community Hospital enso edi enkoma Roman Barbering Saloon enso sebra etene haircut na star biabi yebeyi edi amount odan Roman Junction and 15 teams efie no ebe ho ababo bompa junction no so ne fitting shop no na ebo nhwenim nti opeso UTD a Raymond Babin Salon na woko na fi UTD ni kama enso e de amount Festus Enterprise enso se bra promotion no enso eguso a ekoso se open DSTV Multi TV Canal Plus AD Plus and as Star Times na person to use and as o recharge a Festus Enterprise ebe ma osa akunya no na bibia nso akokama anya no kwa televisions na opa to a brand bia bi na face size bia bi bonya bi ato ho afa fridge guide any TV guide e di bi aba e bo fridge any TV no ho ba ma ne nei edi mletenten enso edi amount TV antennas e bi ho TV wall mount ye di bi aba size bia opa bia no bude bi ato Festus Enterprise satellite dishes e bi honum Samsung TV na afa decoder remote nso no ebuso Festus Enterprise decoder stands e bi aba air conditions e bi honum air conditions bracket nso no benya bi ato Festus Enterprise CCTV cameras e be fixe ama bibia wo bia no onso bo monitor nya ekoso ufie nya ekoso office no bibia so akoye e the amount enu ntini fo asem dan Festus Enterprise se ba installation kwa dia e be hwe installing kama e the amawa unjio ha bia bio Festus Enterprise any Mkopa Ghana enso nakra ama the original Samsung phones enso ma on credits we no ye di free na also the 4 to 6 month etua na oba national for Ghana card na fi first card kita oya na sa de badia na say the phone mam na also the 4 to 6 month etua na phone abaye odia wo hwe chi akwanya na say yani chimasi sport no na ebonhwe ni prempren de ye fa Nanes Palace udu one to 20 opposite one ma no bo se ne MTN color building bi honom ase on ma no na obehu Festus Enterprise na onye enso edi enkomo 0244 515849 0244 515849 and 0269 305 0269 305 785 na one Festus Enterprise enso edi enkomo na bibia akokama edi amount yanshan sem na say FMF the senior most national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana mwe yadia odachina across Sports Stadium no 9 AFCON Air Cup of Nations qualify no na Airbus no match day 3 group F no mu Ghana yeni Sudan edi boni chena yebo wiepe Tuesday 15th October besen room Libya 1 p.m. na yeni Sudan enso edi awen time so na Ghana nchaye na head coach and Diane Oto Ado eto nsade frem ranti bi so mombra na game Ghana yeni Sudan edi boni no ombejem embo game na mesen kunumdie enso baba edi ama Ghana na ranti edi ese yoyo abepiem Ghana training no enso eguso ekoso nanso arosema yensa akane se abranti ni Thomas Step Party ono na koye sahene edma the Black Stars of Ghana no report yensa kan se Yarobi Asheshe no enutino game Ghana yeni Sudan edi boni ene na fe Tuesday no nya the abranti friend Thomas Step Party Arsenal abranti betime gym esi akan edi ama Ghana papa ni din edi Henry Asante Chum ekasa de ma Ghana Football Association o chirechiremu adi coach Thomas Step Party ontim embo game no enfama Black Stars
enye injury illness yare yipra anya malaria but sometimes the federation club confidentiality clauses into and then of course yare anya there will be any more that they need to infer Thomas medical record and the problem in situations like this a bit difficult because obviously he is one of the experienced players in the group. One of the influential players in the team. Osange is in the leader of the team in the last games. I think 4 games I have from Mali, Central Africa Republic, Angola, and Anano, Niger. Until you would expect that every piano they are available. Now, which means but it is what it is. Unfortunately, he's not coming. Until they also hearing say what do I do to almost 100%? This year on May, I was a pay or for so how they ever call into the matches. Until he focused on identifying the right person.
We ayan koma kasamafo Edma Ghana Football Association Henry Asante Chum and so Eddie Ejayen Ghana Black Stars ukopiemo all group F table no so after match day 2 no Angola ne din kan or 6 points Sudan Ghana ne bo echna no otosu mienu 3 Ghana etosu miensa 1 Niger etosu 9 enso 1 two top nations or on be first and second or more qualify kopiemu our AFCON na eba so or Morocco next year no we nkoma na if you qualify sim eba dimu komono and so ejana Ghana ye nyina ade ye kan bom na fe hia ye papa ye nua pani akwasi apia on nei oye Sudan national team no head coach na ade a ochina onya touch na tutu nyama so de Sudan always nkurumdie ebe ko ede ama Sudan ana na James akwasi aba do twa ntia friend Mayere na oka say o si enya easy ede ma Sudan fo no na Sudan fo hwe adwuma ho no ma omo long way to go nanso enei omo kunkudin de ko onim omo concentrate awo air resource Sudan ensa kan omo concentrate awo baby a table no se ne si etia World Cup qualify ni mu no omo concentrate on that na mom odahye ne coaches team say the topmost priority is Sudan for omo achieve ni say omo betina qualify akọ World Cup if say World Cup Sudan enko bi da ntin enisuade hu a eda Sudan for enisu ni say umetina qualify akọ 2026 FIFA World Cup eba so or USA Mexico na for Canada no emu.
It's not been easy, but we've got a long way to go. And for me, I'm concentrating on Yashebe and I say that top and no, we take a game as it comes, and we believe it's a. In natural form, our Pompiashe has this is what we want to achieve. Until we get to the end of the tunnel, Mobia, Emelasia, and I don't think it's all anywhere, and that top and I know. The main aim no, is what we need to try and achieve. And I think no be raising or more as players, no man for what they can also bring on board. And then at the same time, for the first time, nation, we World Cup participate. For the first time, who knows, a bit more help from one also about all this together now is something I urge the players on. My topmost priority, and say it to me, I qualify for World Cup. I think only idea Sudan for Munye Bida, and I'm hoping and praying that Yamimbe family soon or yet to achieve that aim.
We nkoma odi ejayen wan fans one ma ko so to aso echiemu say ono de on timi ka say every game me Sudan be bono ombe nkunumdie enso ebeko eda mom na mo make sure say ade a every game bia so ombe wure mo ombe fully repaired na enei omo so ombe wure na bibia so akoye ede amom o say the most important thing any say ombe improve na fe okun bia do manim no Sudan enso timi akun na akun ye na nkunumdie akọ ede amom.
The most important thing is game be you make sure say you are fully prepared for it. In football, there's no way so they can say match be a mission. Because every game there are three things: either you win, draw, or lose. The most important thing is say boy instead of then it me Edison
and so nkoma James Mayele akwasi apia head coach Edema Sudanese national team no odi ejayen egusu ejina national assignment ne Abranti and Isaac Afo oyemuka two players ho anese nei omobo Ghana Premier League na yeton sade from the senior most national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana mu one asana ko Abranti friend Frederick Asari pe na omie two players umisa kan o Ghana national team no omka won prempren na wakasa ose nei oti se Black Stars call up aba na ono Isaac Afo ni din kan no na ni eje pa ye na okono onfa nkodi agro baba yire no ho akonkoden aye adwumaden na bibia so akoye o se adwumaden oye ya enei ama yehu no e o samatese tun sade frɛ no no se adwumane no kwakoye o national team na bibia so akoye edema Black Stars
mimete no emenje ndi mama ya ne se mesuma fight hard mema metim ya mede anase BBC odo ngofo bodi BBC se ni na gina so edwuma me kwakoye no wana obedi mi se me deserve say we say we friend and I say nti ejuma na me ye ya modu hu na wo fa me no the same energy na me de ko mpe me bonya ko pombe ma oba me favor out here so o me na ho den ona na dia ehia ti se yankopon mo sa de anu ya ona say wo so really wo so bo ho mo ne bibia ala ya fine ya me hye say na babo akwema e be de na e de ya baba because me afọ ya ne ntu nipa so nipa de both made you yambo ya me a boss na say ono ana eni dano so ti mama ka che wan say wo ya no wa yede no wa pru ye maye e bia nda ayeme no e chene botuma yede ayewo
we Isaac Afo or a player Ogeni call up to the senior most national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana gamer Yeni Sudan Eddie Elbonino Ade Abanten betime Jema Konkuden enso Edama Ghana nkomo na odi ejaye no Ghana Premier League no outstanding game mienu honma ene ye clear Eddie Efri ho no miensa insuatreman omo etnase womo ene eye Brekum Chelsea Eddie Boni ewo insuatre sansuna nunsia ebo a awtakwa and Abosu Stadium no Mediama Sporting Club betnase na womo ene Samates Eddie Awen tam so sa game ni mu ena Amadu Nuruddin ono head coach Edema Samates HM say ya dia sa game no de imu ba de pa ye ebiso hwe Mediama fo na o ma ready say league no on person moje sa so na mo Samates fo so no o ma ready games no o mo body come ni pa ye nti game no mu ba de pa de mom na so uya no si nchen a o mo Samates fo o mo ben takwa nti no onum takwa terry ni pa ye na o mo hu say Mediama fo no o mo bo game no takwa na so park na so a omo nhye goals enti no omo map up strategy betimi aboa ma omo timenya more goals aboa ma ne nkunumdie no akọ edi ama Samates Boboko.
Why they are showing that they want to win the league because they have been to Africa, they want to go, so we are trying to put pieces together and see how we defend it, so that's going to make it very difficult. But being there before, so we are also used to the terrain in a way, but that's their home ground, so. And I don't think that they have not been scoring some goals even at home. And so if on a good day we are also good to go, I think that we can get results there.
We koma coach Nuruddin Amadu enso edi ejayen yempiem on kofon crossway na vie fansem ba ku bienu bi so a eboba di fan kofon cross no angel Liverpool enchaye na branch fan Israel cancer omoma na extend the contract kama bibia so ekoye di ma branch no na yensa kan say up next be ya branch fan Ibrahima Konate na Evans Liverpool for HM onja branch no body a some sanso man contract extension na for otwaso ebodjuma enso edima Liverpool bobokono yeguso ejina Liverpool no a branch and then Trent Alexander-Arnold Abrante no at the end of this season the contract in Liverpool won also aban ewieye na asat now no kasa Abrante no o extend the contract in Enfama Liverpool na Liverpool ensumi ehu sa Abrante no okonechi na se oba nim na Eban say Madrid for omo any team efe Barcelona mu nyina atwomuti sa Abrante a ye fe Trent Alexander-Arnold no o metim asan na bibia so akoye e de amamo Manchester City in amawuramu enso awo team efe Calvin Sullivan mu na timi USA onso Abrante ba kwa bon onimbo pa ye na ne bonimbo enso ekwa nim panidin ade Christian McFalani na ne Eban say ye 2007 or left back na City for chima bono onimbo pa ye ntino mahwe na afro ma sign na season na bibia nso akokama ede amomo na omo second goalkeeper ye friend Stefan Ortega na Eban City for the ama plan say papa yi o meso mja ne kwan January no kopie mo fufuro na for ko saka dem nanso coach and then Pep Guardiola say boy no de onyanka ene one ne betena no na yadwuma na bibia nso akokama enso edi ama City boboko no na obekaya enche beto odwa say abayua bi ane oye model ane din edi Luisa wakoka che AC Milan for say omo defender ne din edi Tio Hernandez na kwese baby Europe no na ne Eban say ade asem no omni kopiem court ama first trial no enso akoso ama public prosecutor no HM sansem enya no kre na se omko wiwi asem na sampa asem no enya no kra abaya fe ni Louise na se we twantro da to AC Milan defender ni dia di 200 so enu ntino obetwa ko prison 2 years na vema so afan £12 million na bibia so akokama ede amanu wei nkomo na se no so no efi Tio Hernandez akachi ebedi mu nkomo no ede eja this note eja so na de nanso sum no asia na yeja mu ede wa hye obobofori amanfo nsa no adavo komintama nondu ebebo wia yebesan asia na fe more updates efem no ne ani fie no yede mu nkra no enso eja medin Joshua Kobne Jenim Yosef Adwi afi benin Tomali na Roman Ashiteurat enso produce show no up to you over.
In your house,
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Fast and confirm other sports team Joshua Kwabena Ejini Kofi Ejiri Ben Mawuli. Yeah, twice the amount, some 15 minutes after 7 a.m. Marching. I don't need you made anything of Fremi or Boa back or 40 Amanfo. Ebraneko and in Tienseno. Straight up to celebrate those having their birthdays today. Nafi and to admit in some farmer. enti mu enne ya ma woda no irade nka mu gina mo ho mo koma so ade o ma ni mre mu mfa ma mo ye mo hwe animu ache esan se na wudi wa wodenti irade emfa ni nyina emma o he has done so much for me. From to December, your goodness are forever. Great things you've done, greater things you will do. And you want to see a sound for you. I'll see a sound for you. Savatia, yeah. Free my cool man. Yeah. Mean to me, can you? And you make grand, I'm into my So let me start with this one. A glorious happy birthday going out to Julius Arthur or Cape Coast. And then what would that happy birthday going out to you, Julius Arthur. And also to Inshiraba Owusu da Costa. It's your birthday. Emmanuel Champon. Also or Encrine. And I'll pay a wawada happy birthday. And also to Linda Ufusia. Sister Linda Ufusia. So according to your friends, you are 37 years old today. A glorious happy birthday going out to you, Linda Ufusia. And also to Osei Owusu Ansa Esiedu the second. Hey. And I just said, open you can see you. Achim abo. Me pese minya wo portfolio ni ye. O de na ye chidom hene ana. enti ɔsɛe owusu ansa asiedu a ɔtɔ so mmienu ɛnɛ ɛyɛ wawoda akyema boabo na wofiri Mrs. Dompre ɛyere Hey, and some men can say, Mrs. Dompre. Nia Permano. Hey, you. 80 once again, a glorious happy birthday going out to you. Or say, Owusu and since you do the second. Wahini and idea here, Chidomo and I say. Anyways. And also to you, Nana Mwako. It's your birthday today. A glorious happy birthday going out to you, Nana Mwako. Live long and prosper. And of course, do have a good one. Let me do this final one. So a glorious happy birthday going out to you. Is it ready? Let's go. So a glorious happy birthday going out to William Kwejo Koniba. William Kwejo Koniba, CEO, Willie's Fashion, Accra, Santa Maria. It's your birthday today. A glorious happy birthday going out to you, William Kwejo Koniba, CEO, Willie's Fashion, Santa Maria. I don't know what I'm crying. Live long and prosper, and of course, do have a good one. To be 93.3 and beyond. It's just a bonus. Irade enkan ho. Don't tell anyone fan show. Willy. You're too much. See, Entimiana said a fee yamfa would that into your bra quent to a foot you not see a woman. Yam fan twas from one of a young court young anywhere.
Would that chinti
say what said young common is it here? Would that chinti I was here? Udum dada a your bra quent to a foot to any other see a woman. So Yanko Paul the young quatching bia near Babetina, see a kunyakasi mua. Ya new is here. Na yadibiti you go to drum near the bobra. Said ye beya that. Yadachi be fe. Ushia mi anama hewenim. Misumi shia wana misuma hewenim. Shia wa mi sisi mitrase. Ewurade ye boafo. Amen. Anopai wadachi nti brofo kasa mu ya say. Your identity in Christ is the foundation of your authority. Hey, Erade. Your identity in Christ is the foundation of your authority. I pray, say, Yankopon be my na say muntia say, when to see another sermon topic. As you see a preacher, we can use it to preach the whole year. Your identity in Christ is the foundation of your authority. In fact, what is your identity in Christ? Usu obobre otebia saying ene tie ewo Kristo mu. Kristo Yesu ya wo yonko. Oye ubusiani. Listen, mami famra form. Say be ya obetin komo na se. Anopai obu ho no mo a. Oni o mampani Akufuado efi abusia ba akom. Tie nkomo no. Because of so oni o mampani Akufuado efri abusia ba akom nti. Otumi ka kira wo se wo tumi. Wante Me say by virtue say obi ni omampani Akufo-Addo fi abusua mu keke no. Omampani Akufo-Addo bambo a ye bo ni nyina ebitumi ka no. Ma me famra fom sei. Ma famra fom sei na beti ase. Omampani Akufo-Addo emma. Enya ne ma ne na edi mampani Ghana ha o. Omampani enya ne ma wa wo omo no. Omo no mu di mampani. Nanso so by virtue say one identity in the life of their father is that the man is their father and they are his children. And no penti. Bambo bia ye de mo mampani Akufo-Addo no. Ye de bi ma ne ma no. What is your identity in Christ? Are you just a servant? A juma wo ye no biara. Ana you are a true and an honest servant in Christ. You can say that enam Kristo a wo hye me dinti metimi ade nyina ye. What is your identity in Christ? Do you see so Nyankopon abɔ sronko ene nti wonam wo haw ne amane bi mu se yare bi bɔ me na me fa nsuo na me maso kosoro boso mpaya. I know my identity in Christ. Said the Kristo betumi aye no me nso betumi aye ne Kristo ye me nso betumi aye. Sanse Onyankopon asema me ate ase in the book of John say na dodo a agi ni di ye no oma wo mutumi e mo mba be ye wo Nyankopon emma. Enti, it is very, very crucial for you to know your identity in Christ. Who say you are a child of God, then you begin to realize the power and the authority, the things that you are supposed to do, the things that you have the ability and the capacity to do. Before you should be able to identify your identity. You should be able to know your identity in Christ. That is the foundation fapem. Into obi tumi kasa me kasa se nyame ba. Ne fapem nyina ne se we hunu se oye nyame ba. Enti no wo kasa wo memem se me kasa se nyame ba. Se yare a atoa hyew so no ejantom ampa na awurade atie because waba be hunu se ewo Nyankopon na henie mu no wono so odi hini wo mu. Because ne papa ni Nyankopon enti bambo bia no ayede ma ne papa no ebi ka no omampani Akufo-Addo ma no because of so papa edi panyini na okure tumi nti ama wo mo nso ekure tumi. I am telling you say we senior minister mpo na wo hunu so omampani Akufo-Addo ba bi e frɛ wo phone so ahopopo a wo de befa call no ye mbɛhyew. Wona also ye senior hwan e wo omampani Akufo-Addo amamwe yi mu. The moment you see say omampani ba ana ne yere frɛ wo no wo de ahopopo ene be den e de befa call no nim de ntia because of their identity in omampani Akufo-Addo na bra bom eno na aye fapem e de ama wo mo mutumi fa mobile phone say I want to call this person and give instructions or commands and give directions and even give an information too. Omatimi identify wo ebobre wo sunu ba me pa chaw asore na akọ no unu se obọ mpa ya nyame ntie ho obu ho no mo a we hunu se ono na obọ mpa ya nyame ntie enti yare bi a so fa mobile phone no ofre ne boss ofre ne sofo ozofo ade na be hye me mfi o ma ya say achia bedi ha but onye hunu se ono nso so ye nyame ba Onyankopon di tumi di ato ne tekyerema so ene nti saa ade no a osi aba be hye ne mfe no onim se ode ne nsa to so na obɔ mpaye etiatia saa ade no a ebedwane onim. But I want you to identify who you are in Christ. Why? Because that is going to be the foundation of your authority to speak. I have identified myself, say, I am a worker or employee at Odi Media Network, specifically Ahenkan FM. And I'm saying, yeah, Juma Ahenkan FM nti. mitiminya kukuduro tie eba ewura mu aba be wura studio ni ma ba betena microphone yachi ni ebie na me kasa sanse mahunu se me ye dwumayeni ewa ha enti dwumayeni na me ye wa ha no eno no ama me fapem ama me tumi se enam se me ye dwumayeni nti eno no ye fapem metumi akomframam akwa ye adwuma. That is my identity over here. Enti the American nyina no se o manu a onu mu ofie no because of some ye wo menti enu nti na omutimi wura wo dem enu nti na omutimi afu aduane di but se obontin su ni bi ba befu aduane di aye so your kromfo. Why? Because in identifying characters are a part of you, they are not part. If they want to become part of it, I was so much permission and sound one aba. But se who say me papa ni nyankopon onu ne wiase nyama nyina ya ne dia onu na yaresa ya ne dia na Bible say ye ne mantampiam ne nya yaresa eno nti na me yade me de me nsa tumi ni padua so me ankasa me tia mu se nyame ba wa ma me tumi sanse ose na dodo no agi ni di ye no o ma wa mu tumi. Madam se business ni nkoyi a hunu se awurade ama wutumi a wo kasa awurade obete aware ni nkoyi akasa kira aware no ebe yie emofra no aso de honhom bia gba awura wo mo me se kasa gu on abrabo so ne be yie. Identify yourself in Christ because that is the foundation of your power, your authority. And even authority and power na kran so ye wom ye betire machire ye authority and ye power and also so insonso ye wom a ye betire mu di a kire. But a topic for another day. Your identity in Christ is the foundation of your authority. And it is a catcher when I know as someone na Paul can say, Mitimi ade nyina ye, enam Kristo ohye me denti. Udi me denti a, san se obi hunu se Kristo eye ni wura na genkwa na damfo. Ni yonko pa wone ne ko na eba. Na sa Kristo no de osoro ne asase tumi nyina hye ne nsa. And it is one sa Kristo ye ne namo a, ene na obetumi ade nyina ye. Enam sa papa na ohye ne denti. Adwuma ni ngu aware no ka kire ho engu awo ne beba akwantuo ne beba asori ne engu ebegina dia wo ye bia siku ni ngu tie me say wo wabra bo ensey o ensey unye nhunu bibi ntia ewiase abra ba ye bo nyina ye information ye debo. If you don't have information, if you don't have knowledge about something, then you begin to stumble and you fumble and all that. But the moment our information, when you are speaking, when you are talking, you talk with some authority because it has become your foundation. Ghana yanko point ni mchire no mo no ma na se munti ase kasa tenten enya de pamponko enunti ma memfansi hey na yemfa de aka mfa nto aso mfa ma. Your identity in Christ is the foundation of your authority. Therefore, I urge you this morning to identify who you are in Christ because that is the foundation of your authority. Amen. Yede no de asi ena no no mo kire se nkrofo bi akofa ba. Nti o mo se na anue wona wokofa ba yo na kire wo fa age so jejireje. Yentie no nso bi
Now
Eddie no kofa bae. Odi bae. No kofa bae. No kofa bae. Okay, I don't hear the one crack time was sorry the bet was so the amount. But in the meantime, who say Yankopon ya domo awachina and organized labor. Womo yechre almost on babe yachra and in so moon quay jumon betia tiat and fie near Kenkahono. Or Chine Yankopon ya domo and asa 10 days no more de my aso. Into watching your hair ni moon say a juma 4 hour gun hanging nada. Omo beti bibi afiri mo mpanimfo so mo mpanimfo ka se memo obi ankwa adwuma enya de obi abekwa adwuma na se ebi bekwa adwuma se ebi nkwa adwuma no ekuwe omo se yefra omo Responsible Small Scale Miners Association of Ghana womo so e de krata aba abonten emunsem enie omo se notice of demonstration against organized labor of Ghana womo ebotaye nyina ne say we the members of the Responsible Small Scale Miners Association of Ghana have taken notice of organized labor's intention threatening to embark on a nationwide strike from Thursday, October 10th, 2024, across the country as their only means of getting the government to manage the illegal mining menace. While we acknowledge that some illegal miners have caused significant damage to our water bodies, we firmly believe that organized labor's stance is not the solution to this century-long problem. What we need is a comprehensive approach that addresses the root causes of illegal mining. We also want to draw the public's attention to the fact that small-scale mining is legal in Ghana per the Minerals and Mining Act 2006 at 703, and the wrongs of a and the wrongs of a recalcitrant few cannot be used to ban all other small-scale mining firms undertaking responsible mining. We, therefore, find organized labor's stance counterproductive, politically motivated, and an attempt to shut down our source of livelihood. Galamsey is already banned in Ghana, and therefore organized labor's call to ban legitimate mining is just an attempt to frustrate the legalized small-scale mining business. In line of the above, we are therefore embarking on a demonstration on Friday, 12 October 2024 through the principal streets of Accra against the organized labor of Ghana, urging them to desist from demonizing our trade, calling on them to support various stakeholders to fashion out workable solutions to mitigate the threats associated with illegal mining. We are counting on your usual cooperation. Signed, Mark Kondia, General Secretary, Eddie Emma Ikui, and Ura Philip Bawa, President. And so ensa esha se ti ebehwe akwa homa so ne no omo akwa kodi ho enkomo sisi ya the amount womo notice of demonstration a omo kire se Yankopon ya adom a 12 on the 12 na che say on the 12 ne be ye da bempo ene eye ukuada yi a ye 9 fi na ifiada ebe ye 11th no na che say 12 no eye memene da na memene da na mo ye demonstration. I see. Etu omo kire se omo memene da no womo beto ho agummonten so na womo ayo ye kire kakra nti e wo se ye kom ho ne no mkokodi nkomo na se ebre ne so womo beti atua no so mo nti atua no Ghana Medical Doctors and I say Medical Association enso so ababonten a omo ese womo behwe na omo strike ya organized labor person ko womo kono womo de womo kire se womo nko Owura Maso Kofi Juma Gihok on da no ono nso so atretin adwumayfo ne say if they dare not na omo join organized labor na sa demonstration omo kokokoya omo aso be hye pa organized labor ehun semsem aye bebre nti ye hwe say ensa be kan Responsible Small Scale Miners Association of Ghana na ye no abo enkomodi afasa asemi eho na fei womu kuo na we he omo hwe de eba no a omo ankasa omo tiri ho animu ye yi a wan hwe ya ne yi omo ayi bone eni ti no mo hye ase ayi didi no ana we ni nyina eye enkomodi a ye nsaka womo a ye behwe na ye ne won atumi adimu enkomo enti wadaroma yeguso obro omo ho manim ye nsa beka womo na ye de won atoa so ama. Enti the one krata ni na wa ha. Daily Guide the many wa ha. Sanso na the Ghanaian publisher. Ono so da many wa ha. The Chronicle wa ha. The new publisher. And so da ha. Na anapai the new publisher ni mu no. Mihu so for penny back. Say asofo no say to hu agumanten so ayo ye kire o. Is there? Enti mihunu Bishop Ademensan. And what you say enipa be say edu enkron. And one way illegal mining ibia. FM to me a mini one. One more mining site and anchor say bugu mugu on so. And a mini one. Daily Graphic and so the Daily Dispatch and also so about the Custodian Republic Press. We know can we now but someone back can Republic Press. The Daily Statesman so the Informer, Daily Analyst, and then the final one, the Ghanaian Observer. You know, you become one some of the actual Mass Energy Gas Filling Station. Some in control and I pay. Say, ope baby, no aqua fill it or cylinder no for any chill. Cylinder no, ombre no ma feeling it come. Eddie amount. Ebia no jumenti, unche de nyabre, enko woman nine so, enkonko fill it. Dumani adaji ni ho, so intiama, why ship ah. Odi answer obe friend Mass Energy Gas Filling Station. That was 0532 92 9189. 0532929189 and a 0554391610 0554391610 o fresh number here on bejo so no metumi abo kama me ba so free odan na obesin atwam akwa aboabo wonsa nifa so ufiri aboabo so na wo odan wonsa benkum so ehon na obehunu Mass Energy Gas Filling Station na yetumi apɛ wahwe koho na omuntumi emwa wo not a single day a obekɔ ho no mo meka kire wo se wo mo ho de gas yasa enye no kra yebekwa awoma no so na yakwa kutwetwe enkomoi ye ne Dr. Samson Anoma or convener edema concerned members of organized labor ye ne yere nkonko twetwe nkomo wo mo ani ekuo baako a wo mo kire se wo mo mpanimfo decision o mateki no wo mo ne wo mo nya adwen doc oti yenka anopa yanka na fam so ni mache
ya nya do minia
umpombo de
ya mi adom ade achi de say ya mi aye adom
ye de radia se papa na we de yenya ka organized labor ade ba kwa ya na ye tate pa ne say we stand in solidarity na mo mpanimfo ateki a position na mo nso mateki a contrary to omo de no de be na ekoso pa wadaroma
yo me that say na ma chia watifo in fact we stand in solidarity no say igina ye fa green bomu a nyina gina adena chi but over the one can't tell me now over friend say agin we no mafa na menko ya dia e be haga na man and then I'm a citizen. I'm not just a spectator. I'm not going to help somebody to maybe accomplish his own cause, his own agenda. I want to say, me sorry, Jinaka Semata. The way you read it, me know you are doing it. And for the open year, and then car, then you say. And then, you know, I don't know, Abba, I don't know, am I sorry, and say, a galam said it. Ya kwa ya kan wasa makaka mi amika say me manfo akasa bebre say akwanya nkagalante ebutinaku a long standing problem na I said you paying for organized labor ata na o man da bi and all of a sudden, Omania tea, Omaniani, and I feel the huge demands. So buying some of them, and so I'm buying the energies of some of them since 2014. Almost quite a year, up and on there, political football. Now, many for football, near the other. I'm saying, fight, I had difficult. I got 2 months to election. Nanka, my yes, Kenya to J, and all services continue. Now, yet me, a smooth election. What's the Obama? Yes, my fault. We are all essential service. Together with DPR to you, for me, opening medical association and pharmaceutical. Oh, be a young way. Not on my enough and caught that or my collapse. All because that I'm saying, my friend, you're yanning. That I'm saying is, oh, my, can end the win.
Okay.
And no, we are so powerful. And we are so. And I got to know. How do you know that? Can I tell you, Kono, Sakamania, you can think about now. Even journalism, crack, and want them to cancer, baby, Yanti, Munka, Mankasa. Most of our policy documents, Piama to a banning. This is how we take Kakamteno, for the score, Kababway. One guy, all of a sudden, we see a mine. Stop all Galamsey, stop all mining. Stop all mining. Declare state of emergency. And in between that, yes, we have got demonstrations around the country. You can't judge my. Where the demand is so. That the one is no painful with the Kebeya, Mountain sign. Nanka, young Fakwan for Frosso. Na yene a buying chia. You know, Mishia, it said, baby, a bit not watch your Bob Padia. I say, I come to a certain conclusion. It's in their core. No, me and you, yeah, into your input. Nothing, you push your bands or implement it. So I implement it. And there, over prayer, you moving to know. You bet not how much you yet any sit down for a best pass it down because I'm feeling yet. It is a not do what they are. Say, by you say, not also in yet. Yeah. And you're quite mounted. So I said, they were no policy. Yeah. And I said, stop it. And then, dear.
Eno de mo say adabraka. Okay, yate na dog say one kasa wogi tu mu say galamsey ni ntokwa na yesai okun oso nyenne. E sha ase ache. Don't you think say bia mo mpanimfo no atake this stance because yenya omampani a watimi a show the political will. Watimi a show the political fate. 2017 will take it over. O ka kire nyina say ordinary presidency to line. Eno kan ho bi kra the sign reignite santokwa yi ni nsemu a ye kan nyina. Eno ti sa akasa opani a o share sa bono na bosome be miensa na bosome be mienu no afiri akonwa so a. Don't you think say it will be very good say you be reminding of the promise now no what show sa commitment say obe fight against ne brezo watimi akon.
Okay. But in things clinic and soon I was swimming and do at so aqua. I ye. You say, I'm not successful, sir. Na a couple swim you near. I saw for a minute, say, yea. Let us say, I said the open say, oh, take an phone in a Musho, Wapeli. I don't see a Cotuaba, not buying them, our Cotuaba. And no, my who's I said the end. I said that when the FA policy to be. I said we pay. So all was a pay. So all was a American.
Now, dog me bow. Now, dog me bow. Dog what I don't mean to one. So Cassa, I mean to one. So Cassia got 12 banty and what say, walk more ecofa home as some of the baby more. Despite say Quacotua, we still have a country to run. Anna.
Oh, yeah, tell me, Cassa. Think I know because I'm going to want them bow. There be anything I want some kind of make on. No, oh, a semi one of our battle. A semi sondodo. A sondodo. I can want them up, but a man near my uncle. I say, I did some more. If you are buying my traffic, quite best never so immediately, but not so with the idea of we. Not about it, not jump back. And yes, But there, I buy a now ultimatum. Solve this problem. Once over, you have got strike. Declare state of emergency. You have a nationwide demonstration. No, but it must have within 2 months. A long term. And I also, I never could have been say, I buy me one team and solve way now. So we will win now. We are both the second term of office. No, first term of office, or born whom they pass or kind. But they got to a banner. They got to about 2020. No, you will say opposition for no NDC in particular. We are the idea. I reverse all a juma na omanpanyin na ye. Ye nyina ni tua say NDC for small monko for mining field. Ekushia o moka cham say munua ade a amana omanpanyin na ye atia mo semahu wa guma juma no ye de ye ba e mama makoye mi galamten because galamten ye majuma ade ti omanpanyin e wo say ogu no na omo ayese omo mo na do omo mo ye galamten no ti omo so omo juma no and the overgo majuma de a omo to atia wo omo obi a omo mo ayo majuma ba ampa so ye wi o and it end of second term no ye come amaniemu COVID-19 Russia Ukraine and omaibo from and ye peja kakra they say who ko stop galamte and also ko stop mining akoya another problem who mining is so no kwana abuama omai group ye ko ye nim tententemi e bi mun tintimoi pa ti wono so why risk averse me na me ko stop now sanko jira hon kan tell me say me mo na me go majuma so mo to about tia me the psychological impact no
but doc the mo kan so emu ye na kakra o say because of political fortunes inti I was say you be illegality a ye ni ne kokoto abawie.
No, I'm saying you are not understanding.
My two are here, but maybe baby I was free maybe I meant to say but baby I don't come committee as here.
Yeah, okay. To the main channel say Okono a complex. So also na height.
Na height. Enti mu kuo no amasori atia mo mpanimfo ne decision ne de mo che ne se eyentokwa a ye hya ase ache enye tu mansa aka ni de be solve enti o mo nko ma no ntum enti si o mo nya den
o mo nyai on suspended sa strike no strike no emwa o my innocent people o mo no say Kenya Medical Association for na mo se omonko omobakwa adwuma kamenia unu se ka ebenya devastating impact on the health of people enunti no yes o mo say sa strike no ko munyai na yen to adwen na yen support to aban with policy and programs with plans na yen one say obako implement na solve problem than say ye best judgma ye u judgma ya e say oni abana nyanta watawa dia say oni abana ekon but you can't fight the government to fight another person.
Okay,
you support the government to fight people say stand no e too harsh and a time on so our panyini wo no extra especially your election and also period na ayana ye vulnerable ayana ye mre security wise. And intimacy say, that's all these platforms, making one demonstration, strike in state of emergency, one here, and go forward me from why I did here. Now, I copa and really abbey. It is some of the elections soon,
okay.
But strike cannot be true. It's the most suspect. Now, and can't say, Omonka Galampion,
I see.
Why say that? Omonka Galampion wants them.
All right. Dog, what are Mukuno comprise of people from a hand fan of Maakye On Ahenkan
Fm. You tag, keep tag, not for. You say the medical association for private because you know money I been strike suspended. What we say I guarantee fight mechi now so strike na there young cop
I see.
Press conference and pay for you can put me after me. I catch up the year from Tamale, you know. You can go for the Shabwas, Nanky, and if I had the Tabi. And so, what the must have been for me, I might have seen against white. That's the again, you know. There was a no. I don't know what I'm pushing up by the end. Okay, yeah, young strike. Yeah. It is strike, you know. And I was part of a conversation here. And who say, a buying swap and you're paying for no organized labor or who call emergency meeting and say I am hoping say by the end of the day you better something about that right now declare no.
All right.
We are heading to court to stop them.
All right. Into my final question would be, and I will say as a mumpeni phone share down for a concrete roadmap beyond for my sabia. Yes, your suggestions in here. This is how your person apply near the solve a year galamsey maintenance, you know. But Mami walk you through one more 7-point demands are here from the government. One, Omo catch up mine say on deploy police and military and fanko and cry the name yet is up by na. And 2, undeclared state of emergency. 3, unhalting all mining are a forest reserves and water bodies. Afei, unevacuated miners in free forest any and water bodies in him. Ebium unrevoke LI 2462. Ebium establishes special court and farmer galamsey cases. And then the final one, unbanning small scale mining. These 7-point demands, you know, is not concrete enough.
Well, fine. Like I said,
But Omagwene represents the interest of organized labor, which you are part.
Oh, me too, and there's will be our clients or Chenagin or my ma. Then can say. Again, time a buy a dabbing. And you just, you have fun to say 1 week. All these demands, yes, and be away from yes, I didn't treasure a bank. How you say, and the boy is what makes yourself for demands are maybe yourself to work. And yes, may cost striker, me need that ameba. And they are fighting the government. I don't think I can say, demands and your solution. Demands the way no if I one by one the negative impact a biawo okay the pros and cons say hey they want to say negative only so advantage we negative only and I was saying na say we can except say na ke bobo hu yi na yetiminya one solution na a documented solution and yet need just having demand to be and no solution say you have drafted something a roadmap to the solution of Galamsey. A bind the basis to be an implemented true. So one find Yajuma, not a Galamsey than a problem. And sorry, say who yes, I my and you know, you make say demands for the you may now to say and your solutions. Na you hear say omoni aba betase. Na de omodi aba no. Abanzi do na gina ba. Na o mabobo hu ahwe ye ebeboa oman course on as a nation and our future. Na say the gina no so na da solve the problem.
All right. Doc, anope ye da se papa brania da je wenya man ne atiefo. All right. Ebusia ye ne Dr. Samson Anoma or a convener concern members of organized labor and your necotry and como kweku enin kusibu edumatana si ofia ha nti yebekọ na ye de ubon krata mboso no e de atoa so amawo na fi yaba ababeto ankomodie no so kweku mache
obo
bibi aboko de wadaro mafia nanti
anopa no wotwe abapon community aduanan 840 mematiefo ni na achema makwaba de bahinkan 93.3 FM so de bokrata odo abadwa so naposo enam dem de hyase eye daily guide de bokrata egba mane se wo mekoye demonstration fa galamsey hu echeche wo no wo ma sai jai ebinum ya wɔn aka deɛ wɔn da so wɔ no mo na krata kuri aba ma ne sɛ Ghana Medical Authority ana Association no yɛ adɔkitafoɔ nkabomuku wɔn aba bɔnten sɛ organized labor apadiefo nkabomuku ɛwɔ Ghana ana adwumayɛfo nkabomuku ɛwɔ Ghana wɔn sɛ wɔn kɔ strike no adɔkitafoɔ sɛ wɔn de strike no nkɔ bi nti ɔkyena wɔn sɛ wɔn bɛ start strike no wɔn nkɔ wɔn de wɔn nkɔ wɔn bɛyɛ wɔn adwuma ɛho asɛm Daily Guide de bɔkrata no ɛde aba Daily Guide de bɔkrata ya na owura bi a ɛfɛ no Kofi Anin owura Kofi Anin aka akyerɛ adehyɛ wɔ ɔboase ɛwɔ atɔɛ mantam sɛ wɔn da ɛsan sɛ ebibrem nyinaa yɛ ka baabi a wɔn tu fuma gudie paa diamond pure gold a Ghana aba a ɛyɛ ɔboase okɔ South Africa nso ɛ Johannesburg awurade nyankopɔn wɔn tu papa enso sɛ wode toto enkro mienu ho a wode Johannesburg toto ɔboase ho a utum sɛ baako de asɛ akokɔ wato nsum wayɛ mɔbɔ papa ɛno no yɛ ɔboase a ɛwɔ Ghana na baako nso de otum sɛ sere wɔ n'anim paa ya no ho ɔfɛ no ho akɔnɔ ɛno yɛ Johannesburg ɛwɔ South Africa ɛno nam so ama owura Kofi ani ni kyerɛ sɛ nyame yɛ adom ne sɛ ɔba deɛ ɔhwɛ ne nsa ka ɔbɛma ɔboase ayɛ te sɛ Johannesburg a ɛwɔ South Africa ɛsiane sɛ mu nyinaa fuma agudie pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna mu tu baako abrabo koye baako abrabo abonanum Daily Guide de bokrata ene bosa amanie the Ghanaian publisher de bokrata ene mabawdum the Ghanaian publisher de bokrata na dokita force womu de galamse hu strike no womu nkobi no krata no asan atweraba etifidu mantemu ena the Ghanaian publisher ebo amanie se okọ etifidu mantemu a MPP aban apenso wa aboa womu papa womanya empuntudwuma nkese aban aboa wom ewo humasua mu apomdin mu akwan mu ena afikuayo mu aban na aboa papa ewo etifido mantem northern region kratafa toson wotwe ena the Ghanaian publisher de bokrata no kasa asem wi na engofo keka sabato komisan ehye se na wotwe ba kuntem odi register no ebeba bonten obeye register no eno na isi aba bonten se on share bobia san o make such promise so be provide register no within a week onye bibisa on kan bibia san ehun asem the Ghanaian publisher the bokrata no kan wasem anopai demi kom the Chronicle the rubo krata the Chronicle the rubo krata ebusa say organized labor almost strike no ebeba so ana emma so question akrata no busa no organized labor almost strike no ebeba so ana emba so eno no question the Chronicle the bokrata no ebisa the bokrata the Chronicle kroya na ode running mate ma owura Alan Kojo Chamaten emfoni aba na asema running mate kan say emfimfi mantemu under Alan Cash as president wombema emfimfi mantemu Central Region adane tourism center enti the hian so mbema no 2 minute keke na omna meye wonders the Chronicle the bokrata na ebo samani the new publisher the bokrata no so ena ekasai Bishop Ade Mensa ena oche se galamse abakosem kakra ena oka bi ewa anum sei Bishop Ade Mensa je se wo ma tufu magudie kwanbone so no makomako 19 yekun wo mo ena yedo mu gu amena bi a wo mo mfa ndi dwumam yedo mu gu mu enti wo ma koti na asem no ewo the new publisher the bokrata enim osofu pani ena ekasa asem na the new publisher nso edin wasem aba anopai oko abeto ambeso so a ehono mo na obete pure infante na anopai di eso ndaya na okoto tawana ana edidi ma obrodu ninja eho na okwa obete infante pure mawo menko na menkopo meko school mawo me na mentukan na boko de rampon na o menko de rampon ina meko ogwa kwa ya banzo mi ko shamu ken osmin shen no wa afim mi ko hwe na no kakra okọ efutu ana obete pure infante den na mahwie kakra ma no na efutu abeto ampeso so awo mahikro eye winiba ana omom na hyebedwani orumnyafo afenwom akin yesi wakohia afarefo ene omadinsa wo so pa dien wasem the new publisher the bokrata ne dia ba a doctor for say organized labor monya monkwan a monkohwe strike no nya de ombeko bi krata yi asen ti so Daily Graphic de bo krata na mabɔ awuram Daily Graphic de bo krata ebo amane se nensam no bra keminko the Daily Dispatch de bo krata mu na meko Catholic Church a Catholic bishop say and or say Roman asafono woman support the organized labor for kekano organized labor say chinchina chia wombe strike adentia aban no waye din say aban na say wadam nyane no nyane e wo galamse ku ho organized labor say se wo ma hu sa aban na kekano ho ana ode tabuno to galamse su a wombe ko strike fiti ochina eko eno na Catholic Church Roman asafo ewo Ghana anum se nina ne nkrabata wo Kumase penyire pa oda omano e de abatu dwa se wo mu Roman asafo ne de organized labor keka no mo support wo mo the Daily Dispatch de obokrata no na kasa asami ewo krata yanim anope Ghana Medical Association GMA adokita fon kabunku asem no asan unity a wo mo chese organized labor for strike no mo de womu ahoro mo nsa afi ho sune womu nye strike ne bi the custodian de obokrata mu nsem enamaduru so mampani abedetu asansu tu frank ama NPP amanyoku Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ena krata eche se why ready se obelanche digital youth hub obelanche ehho asem krata no edi aba Dr. Bawumia na kasa asem no na krata kroya ache se uko Ghana anum say ya ye wo mantem makomaku dunsia Central Region, Eastern Region, Greater Accra Region, Upper East Region, Upper West Region, Ashanti Region, Western Region, Northern Region, Volta Region, Egugum Bibri, Savannah Region, Sama makomaku dunsia 16. Now so the custodian say regions ni na emu ba ko man enya impuntuduma kase pa e Northern Region into atwitwa impuntuduma ni biaba kwan pa tum se nipa kwan pa ye twa na kama afi adan kese suku adan ayarsabia chese airport nini na omatwa mfoni aba chese wo de wo manya a massive government project ewo NPP aben apenso the custodian the obokrata no na ebo samani Republic Press the obokrata ne madrum krata yi ebo amane se owura Kofi Akpalu ono na yepanyin oda Ghana Liberal Party of Ghana LPG amanyukua no owura Kofi Akpalu asmo kan se owakukuduro pa safi abato LPG ebedi nkonim Republic Press the obokrata na kasa asemi ena afi owura mensa otabo na asem no so ayiniti ewo Republic Press krata mu se nyankopon nyo no na yi mampani ema oman bia obi obekasa bia sini hu enya nokore nemum so ukoyi mampani no ewu nipa na wote oman wadwen ena wo se ye adwuma nyankopon sai mi ye koto aba nyame boa eni enyi mampani papa nyame boa eni enyi mampani obeboa eno no nyankopon fa sa no ma nya hwe ontie eno no saa de no onfa no ho njim sanse obi obeka bibia no mensa wotable chese enya nokore bia enim ho asem krata yi ediaba anopa yi mami mfiri ono na menko the Daily Statement de obokrata mu the Daily Statement de obokrata aba amane say small scale miners enso ena asoretia organized labor small scale miners enso asoretia organized labor sade ntina chinchina nchira so mo ye omo ko strike tomo so e dia yantam so a ho asem e wanum sei Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ena statement e chese ono de afidie digital youth hub no wapa ho ntema ho asem e wanum sei Ghana Revenue Authority yes omo target revenue target nyame adom wo ma ya adwuma ama nabro na se ekoyi papa e wo mo akachi the Daily Statement the obokrata no ena de samani e bai the informer the obokrata ena madrum kai say the obokrata na poso e wa henkan 93.3 FM mete Akuya Afrakuma studio ena de obokrata na poso esomo urani metima NPP amanyuku Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe ena one Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe ena aka ewa anu musei one mampeni His Excellency Nanado Dangwa Kufuado womu mienu ena informa achese omo sre omo pa SDF chew say abato brenu do omo nkoto aba SDF chese besi omo da na SDF nso omo kire say homeda pa homeda so mbe yadwuma ano mbe bibi minim homeda ni bi ewo me mantem edumi menda store no enya de obebie nne abie kina wo mo so mra no no wo mu gidie no no entinu ntumi nya na hwe ntumi nhyɛ ne by force ni gidie ene no som eno no enti memenda ayi ade atwu ma wu kura nya de ebefiu enti wo mo so emra no no enti SDF aka se abato da memene da ne de nya de ombeto aba nya de ombeto aba ena mampeni Nanado ene napo epa SDF chew say memenda ne do mpamo chomo nkoto aba no the informer Democrat no ena ebo sa amanie eho asem ewa anu mu sei me call daily analyst Democrat mu Democracy Hub eyo shubo mabnuku a wo mo ye demonstration tia galamsey ewo nkran enam so me echeche demonstrators no yecheche bebre beye adunum 50 na wo ma jaibi ena daily analyst egba amanye se o ma san so ejai dunkuno 19 wo ma ekoye demonstration o ma say ejai 19 so omunko omun sune ehwehwemu abetodwa se Ghana afimpinu ni adunum afi apem ankron adunum 2050 by 2050 says you 2024 and by 26 years time one more say na enipado do a ewo enkran kase mu Ghana no apeja akọ 70% apeja akọ 70% en wasem daily analyst Democrat no ede wasem aba ene anopay galamsey fight ana so afọ hwe Ghana ensase ene obade ne paso owura abu jinapo kire say aban no deploy river guides after obe deploy river guides akọ ensusu outron enche daily analyst Democrat happen ultimate paper eno no last one am di twa to anopai the Ghanaian observer aban no aka say obe deploy river guides and afi navies obe deploy womo amama kwa tackle illegal mining enche kra ehwo asem ewo the Ghanaian observer nim ene anopai aba ye ba beto no bra okay dodo na de aka na maboso ewo the Ghanaian observer nim anopai krata na poso mediasi
Mirase and so na former president Edima Nigeria or good luck Jonathan no so Ghana ha
oba Ghana
yes
okay
or former president Mahama ho ufi ho no call vice president Bawumia and so inti omomo de no matwa to ase ho no West African Elders Forum hold talks with Bawumia ni nyina ye ahead of abato a eda yanim na ade ba ko amahunu nsuso ne se menim se won so ateki notice a and sorry ni bibiri no anso kra ni abre won se asori mpanimfo ni bi so mo ba be nante demonstration
efa galamsey na LGBTQ
galamsey ne so LGBT de ne enra no mo koye no
okay
but nia ebeba so I think Friday or say Friday week no eno no ye galamsey no se say asori no yes so mutumi preach kire obi no wonsesa na adwen a usi ya no mo bo mo asu they say asu ni nyina mo nya nsuo ni bi no mo de ambo asu
ebi ye o swimming pool
nsuo na da ni galamsey nsuo inti ama nsoro nsuo ni abre pa se no omo nya nsuo mfa mo asu
ye bo obi asu ye bo no wo nsuo nyankopon abo wa hyeda ye ne special te se Ibremu river pra enum ne yebo asu ana man made te say swimming pool ana obi ankasa hye da twa ebi na wape nsuo gum.
Okay, nti asubo no ɛwɔ sɛ nka wobɔ asu ɛwɔ nsu tene
deɛ ɛtene mpo
nti nsu a ɛtene
na sɛ swimming pool deɛ totally wrong
deɛ teɛ ne sɛ obi bɛtumi afa akyerɛ mu akyerɛ wo nti ɛwɔ sɛ wobɔ nipa no asu nsu a ɛtene
okay
ɛno yɛ 1 2 ɛwɔ sɛ onipa no a wobɔ n'asu no woma ɔyera wɔ nsuo no mu koraa
wodi ne num
ɛwɔ sɛ wodi ne num na ɔyera yɛka sɛ ɔyera a ɛwɔ sɛ wɔtumi kɔwura nsuo no ase
okay
ɛma nsuo no kata ne so
okay
na wayi na pie na wasan enti ebinom nso sɛ wo sɛ sɛ ne nsu tene no te sɛ yɛmfa ne sɛ obi ɛwɔ nkran wasesa wɔ nkran hɔ ɔsɛ wobɛbɔ n'asu ɛpo no mu na ɔde ne kɔ ɔkɔtɔ po no mu kɔwu a na ɔyɛ ndan
sɛ mu nkɔ akyiri sɛ po mu dware daa
ɛyɛ bia na sɛ obi hɔ ɔno wɔsuro nsuo serious saa nti nyɛ hɔ na ade ne bɛkɔ
obo ɛno po yɛ wo ma bɛyi
ɛpo koraa mente sɛ obi akɔbɔ asu wɔ mu
da
nti nkran hɔ no
ɛsu bɔ nkora bɛyɛ den o ɛsu bɔ ho bɛyɛ den
nti asɛm na yɛka na galamsey na asɛm na yɛka no sɛ asɔfoɔ no yɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɛyɛ ayi ɔfɛn sɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ɛne nkurɔfoɔ bi na ɔmo nya ɔmo asɛm na ɔmo ka metae ka wɔ ha no mo sɛ woyɛ w'adwene sɛ mfa me ho ɛmfa me ho fun wansoa ne ti wobɛsoa ne nan ebia sɛ asɔfoɔ ɛnɛ ɔmo pirikyi wie a ɔmo asesɛ ɔmo adwene wɔ sɛ yɛkɔbɔ ɔmo asu no yɛnya nsuo ne ade ɔmo akɔbɔ ɔmo asu nti fa ne sɛ ɔmo ɛte mpɔtɛ mo ha nyinaa
yes nsɔre wa anum sɛ nyinaa bɛyɛ 1 year na obi amɔ asu
ɔmo bɛsu abire mu hwɛ bire mu nsuo yi wobɛtumi akɔbɔ obi asu
wɔ ntumi nkɔbɔ asu ɛnyɛ yɛ mpo
ɛnyɛ yɛ sɛ ɔmo agya asu bɔ ana
okɔyɛ ne born again na ɛde nsu fi ndware akɔla doma
ɔmo abɔ asu na wie ana ana nsuo no bi wɔ baabi
wa yakɔfa asɛm aba nɔpɛ yi enti na sɛ de brɛ mu ayɛ yi na sɛ bɛyɛ 1 year ni asɔre bi no no ɔbɔ asu ɔda mpɔtam ya
ɛnti saa bi ana nsuo bi dida
okay bata bi nsuo no ndi asɛ ni ɛfɛ
saa ho nti bi ɔmo
kɔ bata bi a yes bridge na wɔ no mo no asɛ ndi ani ɛfɛ
nti ɔmo so
sanso ni nimba bi efi
ɔmo so ɔmo gu kam ana ɔmo de ɔmo akɔ hɔ akɔbɔ ɔmo asu no
ebia
ba sɛ no kra nye nsu ezi nsu a wobɛtumi ado su kɔ wɔ mu wobɛtumi de obi asie wɔ mu no asan yi no
answer another question
adeɛ no a yɛ kenkan no saa no a sesei nkɔmɔ no sei na adane akɔyɛ ɛnyɛ busumi mienu ne yɛde bɛsɔɔvo wɔ ha no ɛno yɛ 1 ɛnyɛ saa biri a yɛkɔto aba no mo yɛnto aba ne nwie ebinom tumi nya akokuduro ka saa asɛm no sɛ yɛnto aba ne nwie
because ɔmo yɛ ɛbɛ affect ɔmo
because ɔmo kɔkɔka ho asɛm sisi ya no ɛbɛka wɔn yɛbɛto aba tia wɔn
because ɔmo so mo ho bi pen 2020
nti yɛnto aba nwie yɛbɛto aba wie ne yɛ nyinaa yɛanom saa nsu yɛ awuwu a na hwan na wabɛdi ne so
ɔnya akokuduro akɔtena media so aka asɛm wɔ serious country bi mu a ɔmanya ɔmo yɛ serious paa sɛ Ghana yɛnyɛ serious
yɛ yɛnto aba ne nwie yɛto aba ne wie a ne yɛ nyinaa aba
na wote hɔ no mo ɛne yɛ da so hwɛ wo obiara mfrɛ wo obiara nkwahye wo obiara sɛ nsu a yɛn hono no yɛnkɔ so hono no to sɛ yɛbɛto aba wie
yes ɛnti saa yɛbɛkɔ
yɛnto aba ne wie di a ɔmo nya wo hwee ansɛ bɛ affect ɔmo vote Awurade Nyankopɔn
ɔnyɛ yɛ boafoɔ yi enti mimi na meyibisa matena sɛ adwen ho asɛm nti sɛ asubɔ nso koraa ho asɛm te sɛn yi ɛne sɛ anɔpɛ mede aba a mabɛyibisa yi nti asɔfoɔ mo so mu bisa ma yɛn mo nkyerɛ yɛn biara mu wɔ nsuo bi wɔ baabi
a kwan bɛn okay sie kwan bɛn so na asɔfo bɔ asu
ɔmo fa so bɔ asu
o de titiri ɔdan ne mpɔtam ya sɛ asɔfo no kwan bɛn so na mo fa bɔ asu
biara nsuo bi da baabi a
yɛnim yes
sɛ yi kwan mu akɔrɔ nsuo da hɔ wokɔ suaduro no anaa no enyi nsuo tene
deɛ ya ɛdan fa sa
sɛ bridge bi no anaa no na yesu tadeɛ na ɔma yɛ bridge ato so
o tra suaduro police station na
yes yesu tene anaa yesu tadeɛ
unya ba bi mpo nyina ho ɛho afu ɛyɛ ɔwra ayɛwura gum
sɛ ya ama yɛ ni amre ya ebeduru baabi yɛ bɔ asukura ho bɛyɛ den ebi yɛ bɔ asu ho
sɛ sorry no ontante san yɛ kɔ bɔ asu ne ontante
oh but CAC deɛ me taate yes me won kokko no na ye tai boa won mu nyina no ye de omo aguka mu ne yakobɔ
na ko bo su ne azade omo ba
na san de omo aba esuba no mo kɔbɔ wi a ebi no mo bro ton so akesia ka ton so ne gumu adan ya honkonkona te yesi ne so nti ene ye bo asu ogalam se yi mu a honkonkon obeti asu so na ubetimi kwa kogina mu se ye mo asu
oh eno kompo
awira hosam
eno kompo o so funu mpo e ma o trimpu se obekɔ
awira hosam
yes
enti ma ye na ase ne ja ye nya nkomo no ne aka ne mfa maka mufuo no omo ntoa so sorry ne mu bisa mo ho ise ye asu ne bebo ne he ye da ase de obonkrata mo boso atwa agu aseda enko emfa makwaku enin kusibu adum beka ye ho na ye de obonkrata mo boso ne de ma wo hwe obre no asima no mienu ena aba pa no pa no nkron ho ye beda ne ye ho ye ba enkomo no kra ye firi ase a ye di ne dada ne aka wo mu ni nyina ye de ho amane bo e de bebrewo enyi fidie ni mfiri ha meba
Best man capsules and yasem pajamuno enua hini no enutan no ehabama no yasai de bia ka ho amemu aye de ne papa onum ani kirebeyin na be ma na ekro no best man capsules me secret ni say best man capsules and a man no num asese yensi me fom o be ma bia ma ne nsanka bi so sisi na ya oya eye the new best man capsules ura ba bia to no bia na ye be ma bisasa ope the new best man capsules is Child Herbal Center Amwo Suhum Hamza Street and Akofa Best Man capsules. Ayasa Shemu Kinafu Fure Kuradiaba. Say, the confidence Kura Peja. Nemanwe, Obian to be common Kunu Ewofi, Beman Nija Watonyomuno, no Banasu Fili, Pedro Bito, Akimoda, LB Amwafu, Ochiniba, Kennedy Drugstore, always, Chumesi Drugstore, Kufisco, EK, Esimai, Otazungu Junction, Masari Drugstore, Nkwantanum, Kuforidia, Beno Pharmacy and Delight Pharmacy, Kade, Martin Kumi, Accra, Repash, Nana Buache, and his walkover. Opadudwa for 020-8288-099. MMA, when you miss it, Yenny, Nanebo, Kingenga.
Adansifoɔ a ɛdwen baabi a obenya adansia ho nneɛma a ne bo wɔ fam sɛ yɛ blocks, cement, iron rods, roofing sheet, Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems abama ho. Ɔmo tontɔn durable colored roofing sheet, aloe zinc, rubber ana plastic roofing sheet, galvanized roofing sheet, smooth aluminium roofing sheet, rough aluminium roofing sheet, color bia na size bia opebia no obenya bia ma ho. Na sɛ ba no roofing accessories nso a sɛ yɛ ridge caps, valley gutters, rain gutters, side stream and silicone. Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems ɛwɔ long span roofing sheet say IBR, self-lock, or size ahodo nyina, and a face standing seam. So we long span roofing sheet order. Achan 4 days. Now the good dinosaur acting in free home. Estimate to be obey amount so a free. Omo carpenter for a what experience ye didn't hear good dinosaur pa. Chese Achimasa enclave hadie, a dinosaur body, a dimba cope, and obiaka. Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems. Omo hollow block and a quarry blocks are add ding and also size ahodo nyina. Cement brand be apebia. Utu atong and now to the juma. Sabano iron rod and swa or size ahodo nyina. Afe plastic TNG size bia any color bia. Corner molding, H clip and a U clip. Watch him down. Baby okobia or the koja okwa. Na so betra him down. Ubetwa bibi kakra. Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems a supply ania quarry stones, quarry dust. Sauton your man so 10,000 Ghana cedis. Omo wa chedia shronko. Your special packages and man sorry. Schools any contractors. Building materials a ohiano. Se osika ne nso a. Ubetime atua na nkakra sene ya wotu susu no. Na se so a no abeje ne omano. Elfin Cancer aye adwuman over 30 years. Enti ehu bia anim. Omo epanua abo any cement no. Omo nko Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems branch a ewo Ntiamwa Hotel Junction. Abo kwan so. Omo so a epese Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems ebo omo dan so mom. Ana se and chance de bodan so any adansia ho nyoma nyina no emfa mo ni kyerem akyem dan adwakese no na chi ho no a oni kia station no and ebonhwe no mu ana frɛ 0245 979311 and 0201 515367. Elfin Cancer Roofing Systems, still anointing.
Efia mi watch papa
bra na nsen yade a me yade ye enya odunfo bi na kire me kumi herbal tea anka sa brei adibone
adome na aka ho asem ya na
bia.
Kumi herbal tea de eboa ema enkwamo ni peduam gyan na so ye. Na sanya hoden akutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni peduam. Eye tea bag anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hye mu a minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no na wanom. Enwure nso saa bere wode de awi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi a wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi ewo ni peduam no. Kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Shano nso se oba pemfo obi o makoda nufo ana akoda woni mfrinhia edudie edre wontimi enum bi. Ubenya kumi herbal tea ebi ato ewe bia woton nro ahodo. Kumi herbal tea Yesumo Herbal Center ensano adwuma. Dr. Paul Kumi Minta edaso ya no. Obetimi afre no ewo 0248716402 0248716402 ana 0503785656 0503785656. Kumi Herbal tea ana eye immune system support. FDA age edwedie nkratoi atum. Yes.
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Yeda se watwen yen na yakwaji aboafo nkratfo asan aba yebeto adwumadi ni so de ama okama. Hwe wo bre no abosan yen ha de no nkono no abo apa ho sima nkono. Dwumadi ni din de maache. Me din ni nsesan ye. Afei no adwen ne ye ne a ofre me obuoba ofori amanfo. Anopa yi yeraso a yete akonya kese mu di dwumadi ne ho kyea me edi ama akopem bre a nondu bebo no yenya ensore ye na me hyawbo dodo no ade atwa agu but afei no adwen ne ya still na no yesi aduane na ekwa ase a na ede ekwa ase a na ede nti still na no onsu betumi enya ofam ede ma me fa asira nkoma isha Herbal Center na pay wo mo ekra mu de den ye nkomo die yede ebro wo mo na mo de the new best man capsules na ba bonten so ebusia correct papa na we ni edi ho adanse so se bayifo da bi tugidia na mo ne man sanka bi the new best man capsules no memedru ti wutie me na wo merema ya to fom ukompemu a adabiri dwo no wabone se tam yesuo eba ne sa wo ho ehi ati se ka no ansesi akire ho ba mfie yini a wo nyeye no wo ho ehi Ipacho the new best man capsules be ni nyina de free hono kama e de ama wo me kotin komo ya free hono me ba mesan beto aso abeka the new best man capsules ho asem e de a kyerɛw me da se yane nana yawboache yadom upoku agiman brofo ba ko se kura nka ne din no ho yane na ekwa ka otwen komo oye senior political analyst ye ba no amamuo ni yenimu nkomo nkyire mu adwene a wabene wo mu yie yene ne kwa kwotwetwe nkomo ye nkomo ba ne ko boni nyina yitiawa ye bisawo se galamse yi a yese ye nkunti a nkrofo bi a ye mom ye nto abani mie ye tu wi ansa ne yako ebinim so boa self governance now aje se sisi a e wo se mo hwe na moma yetumi age yen ho eno ne ye bisa se betimi anya nsunsuanso e wa abato a ye kwakoto yi so ana enhye de nya nsunsuanso bia e wo so openia ba homaso abi ati atom yensa ka no ebesa de naba na yene no aba be di saa enkomo no is chat Herbal Center na miguso na me kan ho asem de a kire wo o se me nkan kire wo se obema wo be ma ye no adimu awie peyo enti wo sisi ana akokram na atɔ wo ntɔhwem eno ne ye friend say testicular cancer na say penile cancer gonorrhea na say syphilis ni nyina ye nemu nyarwa afei obu a okodwo nso so obecha dwunso ne mada na kono ateko low sperm count ni nyina o ma wonsa ka the new best man capsules ebe yi de free hono kama de ama LB amoafo Chiniba Kennedy ewo achim dan ha always Chumesi drugstore Kofisco EKS Semen our Old Town Zango Junction Masari Pharmacy enso abɔ ade mu ɛwɔ nkwantanum kedifo kɔ Martin Kumi Mr. Anson Harry Pearl Koforidia yɛkɔ Delight Benno Gapson ɔhene nana enkranfo kɔ Repash Nana Boache Kings Waba 8288099 yɛnsa ka opani na ɛbɛsa de naba na afei yɛne no ababa bɛbɔ enkomo no ɛde ama wo yɛbisa sɛ galamsey ntɔkwa no yɛnkuntia saa abre yi ana yɛto aba ne wie a yaba atamma so ohio atatudwa me bisa sɛ nti sɛ asubɔ kora nso ho asɛm te sɛn asɔfo mutumi bɔ asu yei mutumi bɔ asu munya nsuo ne bi bɔ asu ana yɛnto aba ne wie opani na san ba na yawo Boache Yadom Poku Ajeman said the medical catcher on a senior political analyst yene ko twenkomo yi route yen kan fam suni maachi na umpumbo ko de
yakopon adom
yede radiase pa yenso ye ho ye pa na anopa de ye nante sie ye tiawa yensem bisa no so saa ne ye bisa ne se okon a yesai ewo fam agudi a yemfa kwampa eso etuo no ebetimi anya nsunsanso ewo afia bato no emu ana
minia medase na masaso so a chewatifo na asem we ba sa galamsey ho nsensem a me no to me no enwo se so no bi nsanso ya bato ekotos na enwo se betu hampo sa galamsey adi we ya ekoso ya di bia yanhwe ya abese o mai no we are too good and you know they 800,000 years ago. What I say, and we are too good. You understand? And see, and yet then I ever too good. Oh, we are say. Now, Osha and competition. Now, Ghana as a country. Okay, I need to have good coast. The Indian they have good coast as a buffalo. I bet has a good coast. No, and say. Not good na ben a busubibi we emayimu na Ghana good no also enti so sha ye fe baby Elmina ewo I can say in central region na the enti e benya sa Elmina no nya no say so o ko Portuguese mu a Elmina actually gold and I say mining into the make out with Jimmy na those days you know no gold no na into for more yes gold grains and south from but any bisa won say over to me and your good for man na a bed ne so be good e wo from and I say unya bi kra because gold no let's say a bit like I say gold no esa you can understand na Ghana o ka we are say kra o to gold pa na Ghana not first 3 accounts. You see, I'm not going to Ghana, first 5, first 6. Sometimes you go to first 7, you turn to first 3. It is you go to Quayading. Sir. I'm not to see I'm so good and so son. There's a sort of sound talk about Papa so and found too good. No, I'm not good that you to the saying so, yes, say and say, because I no more to good now. Or more the in Robin, they can't assassinate so no, cyanide and no me. Mercury de kaka ho ani nyina enye ede amaye ye pomoden me ka bra na ye mofa na ye kwa se na ye kwa fomu a kwa fomu a nso na da fomu no na ti don sabon su mu eden enum bi ana ye wa haba mi ane tinye de asa nso ni bi ano bisa ho se ene ye bia sa ade bi ana ye nya because ye nso nyina eden afei ene wutimi ko essence kwai bretu mu koto pure water rubber eda kwai bretu mu wuti ko kwai bretu mu koto shall say botiki rubber na eda kwai bretu adenti be bra be drisi kan ne kwa ke kwai mfasa ne meri nyina nkwa fu because how ne meri nyina say den essence yes chesi so na say to sense o ye kwa fu mu kwa na ye ntimi nkonu so eda fu I said nso ko ye ko so e be jabotos na gu honom e be sa asas no e be se no yes no we mpipini we ndisini na o kasa de we ho a enyankopon ese yakopon tim chia o ka won no asefo nyina won hyebase ade we a eku ya yes as no ho enwo se ye be politics ye be amanyasem che bia wo ye baumia wo ye mahama wo gidi ye ebi a ka galamsey ho asɛm a ebe affect wo chances of becoming the president. We say now kan no so won good leader. You can trust on for money insurance because the person na wo no wo twen interest no onye your mind no. What you say? Ana yen so ye to galamsey wo emiamia no. Wo ade we no to galamsey na wo nso na wo say na wo be no mo. Na pani no anase sikani na no no ye kani a meka na semi. Okran nso a wonum tram no ye den. Eba. What you say? No share nso na wo hwe. Na wo to nti no menka wa asɛm a ɛkyɛ sɛ wokwane wo sɛ de ɔman so nsa wonye obi a bɛtumi de ɔman sama no yɛyi because wobɛdi ɔman so a you are not coming to become president based on your pocket and I say oh de bɛyɛ ɔho yi o o de bɛyɛ ɔman no yie ama Ghana atumi agyina baabi papa ama Ghana so yɛbɔ Ghana ti a Ghana yɛnkɔ baabi nkɔbɔ pim yɛnkɔ baabi nkɔsrɛsrɛ nkɔyɛ lalambɛgyiska yɛnkɔ IMF fo bim ɛnɛ yɛ amene ɔka sɛ koko kora Ghana Cote d'Ivoire for try and cocoa. It didn't say, you cocoa for you, you took the galamsey. I can say, I was like a bit dressy. And see, Galamsey was some, so we are Franca to for the NPP. We are Franca to for the NDC. We are Franca to for the movement to change. One night I had a go, we are fine you. Now the Galamsey, Emma young Kuntia Galamsey, now you say, if you are Kutia, that's how your fortunes to become the president are. Let's say, oh, Sandy Papa, what your mom boy for? I say a man for a day, it's me to at the month. And a penny beer. Galamsey once says, when man goes straight forward, and to mean Kamasem, when to Cassentian, Salman Paris, Franca to phone for Nibiano. I was about a mom called Traban, or Monchester, when you pack on us or bar, or no, on my drain, or mine.
Young common on the iron, how much I say. Ko ye shy o galamsey ne so ne kra de nye ne deti back kra ene se ya tweafo ye bo e de beduru ba bi e yedri ye ntokwa nso eguso a ekoso enti aka bosumi mienu pam yakoto abai ye ha ye ni ka ne se de afi na aba beduru Ghana ha na ye ya ye nyaatwemfo ene nti ye ntwen ye to aba ne wia
na mo nyaadwen it's say your friend is saying, I was a share man for bo. I say na me. Because I was like because me the show policies. Me nim say be the policies keep saying so ba or be good sad media. Ben so which me show policy. Me me come manifest me ba galamsey me ba be sia no kwanya. E bring cause for my mbi. Ade American you say bia Sebio Yafrem na me kasachete mo nye say me do e yade emmo man no emboy e sense ase enti enye say obeka say bia akapo sunwi ni ba beto abenti no enye effect fasha wo no fasha bibim like only a man for me no am say chance ni shanko 4% can say the me ade me tia e ade me tia pint me ba be twasie me ba be hwe say enye because wo hwe amampani akufuado so wo hwe abra oba so o ka so galamsey no oba be ye nso enei you bet you ka say aye west no na me tie parliamentarian baako ewo majority side na o ka say NDC for kra essential more e galamsey ni sell mine more into omo no de NPP for and say mine with galamsey no omo ebekoso it was so unfortunate
no kwale mame moa wo nkomo no yesi ensemoni ntini atutu din ayura Franca no dompre ne kansa asem no
it was a silly statement. Forgive me for this word, but all advanced countries now we can just make us forgive me because a silly statement. I free my shebekania with the amount for no. Say obi an sense oni obi an sense asin ti afena mo pamba be say ina very unfortunate. I was anka the friend is saying majority group no quite friend on anka mo din the family akwaso.
Ono na majority on a majority chief whip.
Majority chief.
Yes.
This no say unswa. Ono no be kan so dia baba be no mu. Na bisa o se wo so awo no o mo discan ba. Omo mamo de ga wo no so be na also be no. Aduane be na be de e se nkontomre kra nkontomre wo din nkontomre aso hwi because friend that saying nkontomre nyina.
Pacho me ba from the political analyst point of view no. O de ohunu ni say enye nsunsanso bia eni ti ye ko a Yenny and Miniankuni, one.
Don't think, sir, Obama, over Kangalan say once a man, I best say, your fortunes of becoming the president. The moment I best are no class, any pacono, thank you for money in your day. So, no,
Baby Bisa say, I buy you at so yana from the SO. But for no one buying any abria walk on dear no. Na NDC for you to take advantage, and I'm with chili. Na say yam penny for what party nim, and so Rakwa Kubuahin. Any a whole minerals commission former boss, CEO. Equanantin anti-site so ko catch the galam say for you say, ye buy be moment two. Na ye nyam penny, wabetina kunya so pen, na no one home GM or person was samba. And so before kwa betu miako.
Okuwe the be more corner for nyan say yenshem man kete galam say enye ahankwa na galam say start you oko Brazil la galam say no me bi honum ti say me am no ka say galam say no enye say be ko bet a twetcha asin a swatch cry nan 80% if you about 20% or 10%. And you know, on one shaman catch fair impuka, so be so a galantia, near check or 2 more. And you be fetching coop and you will fetch here, Quacky. Day, Okaku, yes, what's up, and you can. It's me, so I do Jinamra and Randy. I never thought, I dear when it's such now for the Yama or someone. About my no, Inchimano, Yaninchimano, Yaninchimano. Then I'm no Casano Chelsea, good, then can't think of Ghana, yes, how good could no good, no boo. Yes, sir. Eddie, the friend said, yes, sir, would your pampine when it's a good, no. It's good to achieve the shovel and it's good. About because you see, a quite time excavated according to China for every go member, most say a fence into what's the country are more good reserve. Now, yes, I had the national force had to come, no moon, 80p gold, no mukrum. No more reserve cost. Yes, you're by any. May I say, you know, Uko USA, for my back or oil pa, we are here. US, our oil pa, the oil, no, or bear almost 500 million barrels of oil SO2. But I'm finding inside then. What you say? I always have a phone, Chima. Not good, no, not asking you
and no, quite an Ibirumo Thai can say, Atias 4 common the woman and Jimmy the Ed and Coding.
What would you okay? You? I am very, very bad. Here, good in Bessa Crown and country, and I make it no good, net except for any two as a call as a different say a good. It seems a good near them. As a China, it may be a now for my note to go to near China. You say China, no, can say, weather lessons were free so cry on command to go on count on go that wouldn't yarn yet. Or cover think of farmers, you're a bit fit and I know on the reserve. And I'm a good, but it's what I see Ghana, a friend of China,
Ghana,
Silence, Ghana, Air if you see a good news, quite and can't know what are gold companies near those will be Osha and a good truck crana near what Chapa good tube. Congo goods, without saying, a good, but the one of good air sound, not air day. Nana
bringing tea at the Nedian the Bessie Hanamo. When say a young common gusu a coso, until a woman a bebania samba be deep cacra. Yet I shall not pay.
But that's it. The moment I come, young Kuntia, the MPP new, NDC new, we Muslimi new, Mommy of talk of Cassia Pine, Chassa Divi. I'm talking as a Ghanaian. I'm a John Minor. On my way, no, and one year old. Oko be my so won't me enjoy to see the whole outcome. It's mummy and crumb any. Now yen chunk of form where you're gonna be in Chomosa. Never boy, I mean, I'm a dark and another place.
Yen so ye that's a papa Pabusiane, Nana Yaw Wachi Yadom Upoku Ajeman. Ononkwani Dino no. Senior political analyst. Yakudin Komo. Jubilee Hospital. See and Kancho say Pum Edodo. Ama Wabra Bono. Kwaha ahoa nsisi so yie ye kan asre sem kura na abu afu ube bi tutu ayi be se hwehwede efun da petesi Jubilee Hospital be how ni nyina free ho na ohun atimi ato kama ayaresa ne dɔɔso si yɛgye wato hɔ ne ahwɛ wo anaa yɛgyina wo so ahwɛ amu akɔ fie yɛhwehwɛ wo mogya mu wo dwonso mu nsuo mu ɛne wo ntasuo wo mfifiri ne nyinaa yɛbɛhwehwɛ Jubilee Hospital wɔn lab no dwuma wɔn di no afei ɛwɔ hospital hɔ no ano inside wɔn wɔ pharmacy hɔ nti aduro bi a wɔpɛ wɔn nsa bɛka wɔn san ɛwɔ antenatal care postnatal care theatre maternity wɔ hɔ maternity ne yɛ sɛ awo aka wɔ yere fane bra wɔn mmara mɛwɔ hɔ asomdwe mu yɛwɔ mfidie a yɛde bɛhwehwɛ nipadua no mu ahwɛ sɛ yadeɛ no asuma henfa yɛtwe pie de adura paapaa ne tantan so ama ho atɔ kama Jubilee Hospital ebedi sɛ adwuma no nyinaa de ama w'ani ɛne wo se ɛna ɛha wadwen a yɛwɔ eye clinic wɔ hɔ saa nso ne yɛwɔ dental clinic wɔ hɔ yɛbɛma wo se no ayɛ fitifitifitifitifitifita ama wankasa w'ani agye mepaakyɛw bebree canteen no enuane papa ɛne ɛno atɔn sɛ ntumi nkɔba sɛ yɛn a yɛkɔ brɛ wuo ne ɛso mpafe nam nti enuane no ɛyɛ under hygienic condition ɛne ɛde ɛno enuane no wɔ hɔ insurance yɛgye aban deɛ ne ankrankran deɛ medɔfo tititom hɔ yi frɛ wɔ mo 0244 575799 ɛna 0241784645 Jubilee Hospital ɔdan boabo amantra nsamsoɔ no so ɔdan boabo kwantimpon so amantra nsamsoɔ no so bridge no ɛhɔ no na bɛhunu Jubilee botae ne sɛ yapɔmuden ibɛgyina ne nan so a na ɛyɛ anika sɛm ɛne akɔnɔ sɛm yɛfiri wɔn mu a yɛnkɔte ntom wɔ Akim State yɛ ɛmɔbɔ wobɛteɛ mu a henkɔ baabi a yɛtwerɛ a wotwerɛ yɛka a woka yɛkɔ a wokɔ yɛba a woba onu mu si agan wɔ ɛne nti kɔkɔgye nim deɛ adwuma nim kɔgye nim deɛ man nkurɔfoɔ mfa borɔfo ne wɔn mu degree ne wɔn mu certificate mu hunahuna wo nso kɔkɔ sua bi yɛpɛ promotion a wobɛtumi akasa yɛpɛ wɔn a mu masua kɔ anim nso anso wobɛtumi akasa bi nti saa yɛbɛka ho ahyɛ akatua ntumu kura untumi nkɔpere kɔ ne kɔkɔ sua adeɛ na wɔn nyɛ duru kama ɛne ntumi ne wɔka sɛ 2024-2025 academic year ne ɛkɔ so de sɛs wowɔ fie wowɔ gye wahome wobɛtumi abɛfa forms ne bi wɔ results ne baeɛ no apra atom wo na wokorɔ no HND ne diploma holders koraa deɛ mode asase anya nwam atwa fufuo amena fira nkwan yɛ mu api mu wode 2-year top up program ne bɛhyehyɛ so na aboa wo afei yɛwɔ professional programs bi te sɛ ICA Ghana ACCA CIB CIMA ɛboa wo nti wosua wo course no ankasa na de wei nso taatoɔ nti wobɛwie mu nso mu api emu api ayere sɛ pampee wokyɛ mampɔhene abɔmu bibia wo mbi nti yɛpem wo a wonkɔ wogyina hɔ nkonko suasua bi nti mature students foɔ no nso te atom 25 years and above obu a owi SS na sika eni fie wa wono ankasa wontwetwe de no okɔ adwo no okɔ akye wa bere o ra opese still na ono nso kokosua de ompese enkwala nketenkete no ede wo certificate be hunahuna no eni nti ono mu nyina ba besi agan onso fo ani kyire mu Akim State se wotimi kyerɛ wotimi kenkan ko ade a ene wo wato adi mature student you betumi aba KNUST betumi kura mpokura aka oko school he so me ko KNUST tiawa courses no nie oba business programs no your accounting marketing banking and finance your human resource management afi your electrical and as electronics engineering and a computer science and so ye chere discipline excellence and development the greatest name in university education achemwa sene ani amusie ne die ne muhwe oba visit your website no a www.asuc.edu.gh frame wo nhoma so 0558 633957 0558 633957 and a 0207 163787 0207163787 na ade ba akwa wa Akim State ho ye ni je ya nikan ya kono kra ne se ne omutumi ma wo bere ma utia o school fees ni wie no o so omo nso Ghana ha omo te ha omo ni se ne abrabo ne te eni to mu wo ho abotere school fees no wo de ni sope se akorabo na ejo nso no wani baba won so matua ni nyina wie school bi wo ho no mo e peking kran untu anwie ya yehwe anim kra but yen ha ne ntesa ya no ene ho akade de wasem wa na se na na mama gbana wo ntade me pa chofo ani chire mu ho ne bra be pe bi hwe bra be pe bi hwe edan no awusie project ya wakogye contractor foreman adwuma no wakogye awo ye no ho akade o so to papa ene sika ho akwa atwe sika yie nso te se hwene mu nwi a wo twe edi se obi ye wadom no wo mu adwuma a eya atonyo ma papa fa ye adwuma ne ma no na adidida ne ye wo ye ne kete wesinya dodo awurawura no wanya kakra di akototo materials papa e opepia sia mpadu ho na ade abeye o tene bi o si adwonso dan wo be kaa wo o si nkuko bu wo be kaa wo so hu nti wo ye ne kakra no na eboa wo enti ko pepia sia mpadu ho ne kototo wo materials ni nyina say cement iron rods nchense edi kuru dan so say nadoa say marine balls near din strong ones no ye ba no binding wires wire mesh headpan ye ba no fidi edi twa blocks enu achi blocks no so wo pebi di akokan de ho a ye was solid and a hollow a free 4 copim 6 inches and nadoa no ye ton ni nyina bia fei ye supply enwea abo and a quarry dust atima bo abo Akim State Junction ena obi huni yen ti wadan bo abo kwantempoin so ye be Akim State Junction afi Jubilee Hospital nche ho obi huni yen uyi no free ho a suadru ye ne apiani junction die ne hwe nkwantanim new market ye wo ho achiase ahwene ase na obi huni yen eya no afren 0244166937 0244166937 ena 0208 2991115 0208 2991115 o fresh our numbers ya yebeje oso na yetumi aboa wo pa se esi ade wo ni TV a na ye wo anu aso odin o pepe e na ama basa sanse ODI Electronics wodin hyehye no niemu go di obi a ho beto no yan metata wo ene ebra betua wo kai eye wo na wudi no kredi ama wo ho nti wo ni TV wo ni fridge enkrofo deep freezer ye ka ho asem wo ni madekodi mpo washing machine obi kura mfa na ni hunu bi da